There we go. Let's go over here. All right, I guess we are good to go. Welcome, welcome. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Bon matin. Hey, buongiorno, buongiorno. All right. All right. Just make sure we got some sound over here. Um, yeah, everything seems good here. Let's do this. And Zoom is right here. Awesome. All right. So good morning. Welcome. So first of all, if it's your first time here, welcome. This is a live trading session in Franglish. So basically, I'm going to be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer pretty much every question. And we'll try also to translate pretty much any good information for you guys so you can understand in both language. Donc, premièrement, bienvenue à tous. Si c'est votre première fois ici, bienvenue sur le Zoom franglais. En fait, c'est un trading en direct. Donc, on va trader en direct. On va vous donner des idées de trading. On va parler de nos entrées, nos sorties. On va aussi répondre à vos questions. Et si vous voulez nous envoyer un tableau, un chart, vous pouvez le faire dans le chat YouTube, tout simplement en sélectionnant la petite caméra qui est ici. Et vous allez sélectionner à partir du \X jusqu'à la fin. So guys, if it's your first time here, we're here to answer questions. We're going to talk about trade ideas, entries, exits, all kind of stuff. We're going to break down charts. So if you want to send your chart, just press on this little camera here on top on TradingView, and you're going to copy from the \X to the end, and you're going to paste that in the chat. All right. So without... let's see here. First comment. Oh, congrats, Anand. So sorry if I said that wrong. It's Franglish accent. Morning, Tom. Good morning from Pakistan. Sweet, man. Good morning over there. All right. Hi. All right. Buongiorno. All right. So let's jump. Let's just send something here on Instagram. Just making sure people knows we are live. Give me 1 sec here, and after that we're gonna get started with the top-down analysis. Yeah, let's do this here. Casio. Boom. YouTube live. Watch now. Let's do this, and this live on YouTube. And let's do trade with the pack. All right. Done. Awesome. All right, so now let's get going. Are you in any trade? Oh my gosh. Woo! Man, that water. Rough this morning. I'm swear to God, this is not vodka. All right, so let's see here. So, am I in any trade? No, but I did call on our Discord group. Watch for double top on H4 and look on smaller time frame for entry. And I called that yesterday night, around like 9 or 10 p.m. And so basically in the course I tell them on how to catch those moves, and they know exactly how to catch it. So we had this double top formation here on H4. So if you go to H1, you actually have your break of the neckline on H4 if you look right here, that's the break of that neckline. So on the 30-minute, you have your break and retest, and yeah, you can grab that move. So I'm sure we got some students in that cell. I'm gonna wait and we'll see. And we also have, of course, yes, Mike. We also have this. If you look at H4 double top, now looking at 30-minute, you can also see that head and shoulders, right? And the neckline's right here. So same idea. So good job, Mike. Um, all right. So now let's start with our top-down analysis. All right. Let's start with GJ. Let's start with GJ. Let's start with GJ. GJ is kind of in a mess right now. All right, let's start with the high time frame. I mean, not much to say here except that it's crazy bullish. So I mean, we already broke previous high, respected previous low. Technically, we should continue out. We have this huge wick fill here on the monthly. Are we gonna do? Are we gonna fill it? I don't know, but I think it's a pretty good, pretty huge target. But yeah, I'm pretty sure if we continue going up, we're gonna fill this monthly wick, right? Donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois, donc on a une belle mèche à gauche pour se faire remplir. Donc sur le chart du mois. Donc très possible, c'est un gros target, mais éventuellement ça va y aller. Looking at the weekly, same idea here. Nothing much to say except that it's crazy bullish, broke previous high, respected previous low. We should continue, and this next zone on H4 is going to be kind of around like 152, 750 kind of next QP, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put more QPs up there. Sorry, I don't know what I have this morning. Donc sur le chart de la semaine, même concept que le chart du mois, donc pas grand chose à dire, à l'exception que la mèche actuelle a présentement brisé le haut précédent et respecté le bas précédent, ce qui veut dire qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut. Notre prochaine résistance en H4 va être aux alentours de 152 750. Donc, prochain objectif. Alright, so now looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, again, same thing. We broke we broke that daily resistance here. We have this break, retest, and boom, we shoot back up. So yeah, again, next target here on this daily, it's gonna be probably like around like 152, 420, something like that. But when we're gonna go on a lower time frame on H4, we have a zone here. So that's why I put it there. Donc si on regarde le chart journalier, donc même concept encore une fois, mais ici un petit peu différent. Si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on voit qu'on a brisé une résistance ici. Donc on voit qu'il y avait une résistance en daily. On l'a brisé, on a fermé au-dessus, on a eu un retest, donc on est venu tester à nouveau cette zone et on a poussé vers le haut. Okay. Now looking at H4. Looking at H4 on GJ, I mean, right now we just created a new high, so we kind of need price to come down and retest the high. So yeah, I mean, nothing fancy here. We have this new zone here on H4. I mean, not new, but I mean, next zone. Hey, bear with me, guys. It's 5:30 a.m. And we had a late hockey game night yesterday, so I went to bed pretty late. Okay, so I don't feel like scrolling all the way down, but it's an H4 zone, okay? So yeah, looking at 1 hour. Donc ça, on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, dans le fond. Principalement, ce qui est arrivé, bon, comme j'expliquais, on a brisé au-dessus, on est venu faire un retest, et... ça, regarde ici, cette zone-là était valide ici. Right? Donc, on a fermé au-dessus de la zone, on a fait un retest et on a poussé vers le haut. Maintenant, on a créé un nouveau haut. On doit aller vers le bas, créer un support et retester le haut à nouveau. Looking at H1, I mean, same idea here. H1 now, I mean, like I said, we create new high. We need for support to come down. and yeah, retest a high. Donc, même principe que sur le 4 heures ici, ce qu'on regarde, c'est qu'on a créé un nouveau haut. On doit avoir le prix qui va vers le bas, former un support et pousser vers le haut par la suite. Now, let's see if we can have some hint on the market here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. So we can expect price to come have a little dip in there before pushing back up. And let's see if that matched the 30-minute also. So last push right here, yes. So I guess I'm gonna adjust it on the 30-minute because I might probably gonna take entry on 30-minute instead of 1 hour. So let's adjust the zone a little bit. There we go. So that should do it. All right. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart sur le chart du 1 heure, donc même concept que le 4 heures, on a créé un nouveau haut, on va voir le prix qui va vers le bas, créer un support pour pousser vers le haut. Je m'attends à ce qu'un support soit fermé aux alentours de 7,50, qui est la zone de réjection Fibonacci entre le 50 et le 61,8. Si on regarde, j'ai pris la dernière impulsion sur le 30 minutes, donc ce qui devrait nous donner à peu près ça ici. Donc le dernier bas au dernier haut, so last low to the last high, and yes. All right, so this can make sense. We have this minor here, support that's been formed, this minor resistance here, but I didn't put the zone since I had my major QP right here. Donc j'ai pas mis de zone ici parce que j'ai mon QP majeur puis je sais qu'il y a une zone. And yeah, so now let's just wait. You know, for GJ for me, I'm gonna write it down here, waiting for support. Waiting for support. All right. Let's do this. And yeah, that can also make sense. And of course, if we break above 151 to 50, I mean, we're gonna have a safe buy also. Let's put our QP here. Coordinate. So for anyone asking about QPs, here it is. Here it is, guys. So 250, 500. There we go. 750. And we have 152 right here. This one we're gonna put it purple because it's a major one. And yeah. Oh, top of that. So I guess we can do this. QP, all right. I wanted all the same colors. Oh, here we go. And this one. Major. And we're gonna lock those lines. Trading view, you want to make sure you lock it because if you move your chart, you can move your QP by accident. So always lock my line. And this one's locked already. Perfect. Excellent. Oh, this one was not locked. So I guess let's lock this one. Here we go. Here we go. Excellent. So this is GJ. Now let's move on to GA. Let's see if we have any question here. Donc voyons voir si on a des questions avant de continuer. All right. I like GBP AUD, more clean traffic to the left for sell and for buy. I would like some sort of support to form and break of a high. Okay, we're gonna take a look at GA right now. Yeah, so before moving further, let's move on to GA. All right, so GA. Oh, Donc, regardons à GBPAUD, donc le pound contre le dollar australien. All right, so looking at the monthly, sorry. All right, looking at the monthly here, I mean, this month so far, we just broke previous high by a tiny, tiny thing and start rejecting it. So, and now we're going to need to see what happened. But I guess on the long term monthly, GA should continue up, right? Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois, on voit que cette paire-ci a brisé le haut précédent par une petite chose et a commencé à rejeter vers le bas. Techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. On a formé un support. On va venir retester. On devrait venir retester ce high-là. Donc, on était sur un bearish trend et on a créé un nouveau sommet ici. Par contre, là, on a créé un nouveau bas. Donc, on pourrait revenir retester ce nouveau bas-là ici. Okay? Donc, looking at the weekly now. Looking at the weekly. Last week closed bearish with a huge wick to fill. We broke previous high, so maybe, and this is just maybe that this monthly probably gonna fill this wick before starting to go back up again. I mean, we gotta wait and see, you know. But so far this weekly broke previous high, respected previous low, so technically we should continue up, right? Donc si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on a brisé le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent, donc techniquement on devrait continuer vers le haut, mais il serait peut-être probable que cette nouvelle chandelle-là de la semaine peut-être vienne remplir cette mèche-là avant de pousser vers le haut. Let's take a look at the daily. All right, so daily is at the daily resistance right here, you know, at the 80500 QP. So they're sitting right at the daily and we didn't broke it yet. I mean, we did broke it, but we didn't close above that resistance yesterday, and today we don't know yet. Donc si on regarde le chart journalier, on est dans une résistance journalière. Donc à ce moment-ci, ben, on doit attendre de voir si on va briser au-dessus à la fin de la journée, ce qui pourrait nous indiquer une continuation vers le haut. Et jusqu'à date, on est présentement bearish. So now looking at a bearish candle on that daily. So let's see. Maybe we're gonna flip during the day and continue our way up. Looking at a H4. All right. So H4 is pushing up. As you see, we are in an uptrend on H4. Price came up, came down, retest the high, create a new high, came down, create a new high. So it's pretty good, pretty good. So let's see here on this H4. We had this right in this golden zone. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so let's see the last push here. So I guess this golden zone didn't hold, so this is not valid. And it looked like, I mean, we broke this low here, so maybe looking at a reversal here. Like I said, we had this double top, okay? Donc si on regarde, so if you look, we have, whoa, what the hell I did here. So if you look, we have this double top, and you can sell like kind of right around here, right? So that makes sense. Let's remove this. Donc si on regarde après ça sur le chart du 4 heures, bon, comme j'expliquais, on a atteint, laisse-moi juste prendre une flèche ici. Donc on a créé, c'est-à-dire, excusez-moi, on a créé ce qu'on appelle un double sommet. Et on pouvait vendre quelque part autour de là. Donc en 4 heures, présentement, on est bullish. On a formé un sommet. On est venu en bas, retester ce sommet-là. On est venu en bas, retester le nouveau sommet. On est venu en bas, retester le nouveau sommet. Mais là, on a brisé ce lot-là. Donc on regarde à un renversement de tendance présentement. Alright, let's move to the H1.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let me grab this. All right, so H1. H1 also looking at a head and shoulder pattern. If you look here, you got head, you got, oops, what the hell? And right shoulder here, and I guess you can sell right here, right? So somewhere around there, and you can go on lower time frame. If you go on 30 minutes, you'll see here that break and retest, and you can sell, right? Donc si tu regardes sur le chart du 30 minutes, on peut voir l'entrée possible. On a eu le break de la neckline, on a eu un retest et on a poussé vers le bas. Ce que j'ai expliqué dans le fond, c'est qu'il y a un pattern qu'on appelle head and shoulders sur le 30 minutes et sur le 1 heure qui nous indiquait un renversement de tendance aussi. Yeah, so I guess that's what it is. So now at this point on GA, I mean, yeah, we gotta wait and see if we can form support around here to continue back up. But because last time that we reached that level, we pushed back up. But anything under this major QP here, I can be looking to sell under this. If not, I'm gonna be looking for support to continue up, right? Yeah, so two options here. So let's write it down. So wait for support at major QP, or wait for break and retest of major QP. Donc, deux options ici. Donc, je vais regarder peut-être pour un achat si on forme un support aux alentours de cette zone majeure de QP. Parce que la dernière fois qu'on a formé un support à cet endroit-là, on a poussé vers le haut. Okay? So, last time that we formed support here, at this kind of level, we push back up. So, are we going to do the same thing here and push back up? I don't know. We got to wait and see. But if we break under this, go like this, read this, and go. I'm going to be looking at sell because we got some nice clean traffic to the left, right? Donc, si on brise cette zone-ci, on vient retester, puis on va vers le bas, je serais intéressé par une vente parce qu'on a du beau trafic. On a en fait le champ libre complètement pour continuer vers le bas. All right, man, I'm tired. Now I want to quit. Phew, man. That was a lot of work for this morning. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here in our Zoom. We got Francesco's chart. Let's take a look at this. Oh, look at this. I knew someone would have got it. God damn. Good job. Students are doing pretty good, man. Let's zoom this. Can we do zoom? Can I zoom? Why can I not zoom? Is that a Trixie link? Yes. I should be able to zoom. Oh, because that's not my mouse. That's why. Clear all drawing. Okay. What? Here we go. So we got this head and shoulder. Price created second shoulder and closed below 750 QP. Entry. Oh, you took it. You took the aggressive entry here. Okay, that's great.
Yeah, it's aggressive.
Yeah, very aggressive, but that's good. That's good. Entry candle open quickly, secure 10 pips. All right. So you took on the opening of the candle, right, Francesco?
Yeah. I was looking for suspense.
All right. So you're starting to be a lot more confident now.
I hope so. I'm starting to see pattern more clearly.
That's good. Very good, Francesco. Very good. Yeah, because most of the time execution is a problem, and most of the time people are having difficulty taking entries on the opening of the candle, right? Most of the time they will wait for a break of previous high or previous low, and then their stop is higher. So yeah, I think that's pretty good, man. Of course, it was an aggressive entry, because at this stage we don't have the confirmation of you know, a real shoulder, because it might just
Sure.
flip bearish like this
Sure.
and push back up again, right? So it was aggressive, but it makes sense also, you know. Close 75% put SL at B because I know it was too risky. Oh, you see, that is perfect. Take an entry when shoulder is forming. Awesome. Close another partial when price retrace above 500 QP and trail the stop above 15-minute high. Full TP it. Nice. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let the runner go fill this week. Man, Francesco, this chart is perfect.
Thanks, Sasha.
Good
Thanks.
job. Way to go,
It's
man. Way to go.
Thanks to you, to your knowledge.
You're welcome, man. I'm so happy seeing this morning. So happy, man. So happy. Great job.
Me too.
It's pretty amazing. Mike, did you got this also?
You asked to me?
Yes?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay, because I saw your comment. Okay.
Only see.
Okay, perfect. I'm waiting sales for GA to give me the day. Okay, perfect. Yes. I'll be waiting for that also, or a support, you know. All right, let's see YouTube chat here. Hey Kassim, bonjour, j'espère que ça va bien. Can you take a look on gold? Yes. You send your chart, we're gonna take a look at it. Give me 1 sec. Yes, I'm drinking a lot of water like usual, but now I'm drinking more because we have a challenge. We did a 90-day challenge with our students, so no more 15-minute entry. What do we have in that challenge? 15 minutes of training at least per day, you know, physical. We have to drink 64 ounces of water. We have to, what else we got in that challenge? Less alcohol, reading personal growth for at least 15 minutes a day, all kind of stuff, just to start being a better person, right? Like, because I think trading, if you're better mentally and physically, you're just gonna be better at trading. So yeah, it's something fun, you know. All right, so let's take a look at that gold chart. Hey, good morning, Karen. Good morning, good morning. All right, so let's take a look at this here. Yeah, that I can know right away that this chart's not gonna work because it's missing some stuff here. You should have an X somewhere. So yeah, so V2 1512. To send a chart, you need to press on your camera and you copy paste from the \X to the end. So \X to the end. GA is on a major key level at the moment. Yes, correct. Right there. And it tapped right. You see this? Right on the dot, man. Right on the dot. Got rejected here. Those QPs are very, very well respected. Henry, hey, Racha. I like that one. That's funny. Hey, what's up, Jim? Bon matin.
Bon matin.
All right. GA bouncing off support at the moment. Yes, exactly. Right here. This 30 and 1 hour support, right? Yes, right on it. Right on it, baby. Can actually put it like this, and we're gonna have our H1 support, kind of. Let's see here. Sales on G would be counter trend, so more risky, right? Yes, more risky, but at this point we are having a reversal pattern, and right now, if this was like kind of right here and create a new low, it will be less risky again, you know. But this pattern here is a reversal pattern, so that should indicate a start of a trend change, right? Donc la question ici est vu qu'on vend, est-ce que c'est counter-trend? Oui, c'est plus risqué. Par contre, il faut comprendre qu'on a un pattern de renversement ici. Donc, on a une bonne indication qu'on devrait avoir un renversement de direction. Par contre, ça aurait été mieux si ce low-là, ce bas-là, aurait formé peut-être autour d'ici pour qu'il soit plus bas que ce bas ici. OK? Donc, à ce moment-là, ça aurait été encore moins risqué. Mais là, c'est sûr que si on descend en bas de ce majeur QP-là, on peut s'attendre à un renversement de direction. Of course, for me, the main point is this support here. If this level gets broken, oh, now we're going to be looking at sells for maybe a day or so. All right, so let's see here. Next question. Hey, how are you doing today? How do you get the different session in the background in TradingView? No clue, man. No clue. I don't use it. I don't need it, because I mean the basic of trading is knowing when your session open and close, right? So I don't need an indicator for that. Green tea is goat. Oh, maybe I don't drink anything that's hot. I just don't like it. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink hot chocolate. I don't drink tea. I don't drink anything hot. I don't know why. Just since I'm very very young, I never, even hot chocolate, I never like it. Never. So GA 30-minute close bullish. GA 30-minute close bullish. Let's take a look at this. Yes. It's a tiny support. So for better buys, you want to break this high. So, but 1 hour is still bearish, right? Yeah. Oh no, 1 hour is a new candle. So, yeah. So for better confirmation, you want to see a break of the high, and yeah. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Boom. All right, so next question here. Did you say no 15-minute entry? Yes, I did say that. And for me, it's not a challenge anymore, because we did that challenge a couple months ago with another part of our group before the course got launched. And our win ratio had increased so much. So I'm not touching at 15 minutes anymore since a while. But now we decided with all the new students to decide that challenge. So yeah, no more 15 minutes entry. GA 30-minute close bullish. Oh yes. Yo Sasha. Yo Sacha, comment ça va? C'est Yuva, ça fait un bon moment que je n'ai pas tradé, occupé par le boulot. Oh, bienvenue à nouveau Yuva. Is he speaking in English and translating in French or backwards? Yeah, both. I go from French to English and English to French, so I'm trying to help everyone here. Let's see. Give a like for Sasha, guys, from Lava Pips, which is Yuva. Thank you. Yeah, man, I mean, we got like 100 people here. We got 28 likes so far. We should get to 50 in a second, right? So let's smash that like button here. Where's my animation here? Boom. Let's smash that like button, guys. If you're on Zoom, jump on YouTube quickly, and yeah. So I think now this candle, if it breaks the low, this thing should continue down. For me, on my end, I'm not taking an impulse entry. I'm looking at impulse entry only when there's volume in the market. So mostly around like NY open, NYSC open. If I miss the move, I miss the move, right? I'm gonna wait for a break and retest. Um, do. Morning, Sasha. How long have you been trading for? I think I started around like 2018, if I'm not wrong, to get really interested into Forex. But got serious about it around like, or was it before that? And I started around 2000. I'm so bad with timing. I'm so bad. I keep on repeating this every single time. People sometimes they must listen to my stuff and say, this guy is saying bullshit. You know, last time he said like 2 years and three. Dude, I have a hard time remembering my age, you know, just like to be honest, you know. And I always tell the same story when I recorded the course. My first video was an intro video, and in this intro video, I said, "Yeah, I'm Sasha, blah blah blah," and I wrote my text and I gave it to my girlfriend, and she looked at it and she said, "Yeah, that's pretty good." But the only thing, Sasha, is you're saying you're 38 in there, but you're 39. I'm like, oh, shit. so, so yeah, so sorry about that. But I would say roughly like 3 years. Started, and I did a lot of studying, back testing before actually starting my live account. I invested almost like $10,000 in myself before putting money on the market, you know? So for me, anyone that's trying to win in this market without proper education, um, I don't want to discourage you, but it's gonna be hard, man. It's gonna be freaking hard, you know. So just make sure you're you have some great people and good people around you that is gonna be there to help you during your journey, right? Um, will be will we be looking for sales on GA for today? I don't know about we, but myself, I'm looking at sales under that major QP, like it says on the chart, and wait for support for buys on this QP. Donc, ça, on regarde dans le fond, la question était est-ce que je regarde pour une vente sur le pound dollar australien? Puis la réponse est c'est exactement l'indication que sur le chart. Je regarde pour une résistance en bas de ce majeur QP-là ou un support sur le majeur QP. Alright, 50 likes in no time. You see, guys, man, when you want, you can do it. All right, so next step is 100 likes, and we should get that pretty easy. I mean, we got 117 people now, so I mean, we should get to 100 likes in no time. All right, so let's see here. It's our French class as well. Yes, man, it's 2 for 1, man. You guys learn to trade and learn some French. Man, what's up with that? I think that's pretty good. Let's see here. Here goes my like boss. Thank you, Elias. Thank you. Great live stream session. You should live stream every day. Tuesday and Thursday is not enough. Oh, thank you, Nickja. So thank you, Nickja. I do trade live, but I trade live every day with students. So every day we have a virtual trading floor that I leave open. And actually starting this week, we're going to actually probably leave the stream open, the Zoom session. Man, am I going to say it? The virtual trading floor, sorry. I'm going to let the virtual trading floor open all night also for people trading the London session. So... Hey Sasha, what's good, man? Hey, what's up, Rages? You're doing great, bro. Thank you very much. I'm part of Market Fluidity. Oh, sweet. Sweet. That was a turning point for me. Could you take a look at this trade idea? Sure, we can. Let's take a look. Yes, we can. All right, let's remove this smash button. We are at 60 likes. Yeah, so let's do like QPs. So next step is going to be 75 likes. Yes. All right, so let's take a look at this here. Why can I not zoom? Anyways. All right, so this is EA. So Euro Australian dollar. Price in a range at the moment in 4 hours time frame. Looking to sell if we get a break below and retest of the level TP at 27.17 because of the clear candle on the left. What do you think? Yeah, I think it makes sense, especially that you were in a downtrend, came up, created that range here. So yeah, but I will keep also my option open because sometimes when you have when you see trend like this, let's get this here. Okay, so when you see trend coming like this and suddenly pushing back up and start to consolidate here, there's a good chance. I'm not saying it's gonna happen for sure, but it might be a good place for price to actually break here, retest, and continue up also. So you want to keep your two option here, especially if you formed a new high here. This is higher than this high, and yeah, so basically, I will look probably for an opportunity to retest that new high. So it might break above instead of down. I don't know. I'm just saying it might be an option also. So yeah, I would definitely keep my option open here. Because when it's in a range like this, it doesn't mean, since we were in a bearish trend, doesn't mean it's gonna break down, right? Donc ici, je pense que c'est une excellente question. So let me do this in French because I think this is a pretty good example here, and that's why I like when people send chart that everybody can benefit from it, right? Donc, l'idée ici de Mamba Mentalist dit que il attend principalement un bris de cette zone de consolidation-là venir faire un retest pour pousser vers le bas. Ce que j'expliquais, c'est que c'est une très bonne idée, mais je garderais aussi l'option ouverte pour un bris en haut, venir tester et aller vers le haut. La raison pourquoi, c'est que on avait un bearish trend comme ça et on a créé un nouveau haut ici qui est plus haut que le haut précédent. Donc après ça, le prix est venu consolider ici. Okay? Et là, on ne sait pas s'il va briser vers le bas ou s'il va briser vers le haut. Mais je trouve qu'il y aurait des bonnes chances pour que le prix vienne retester ce nouveau sommet-là. Donc je pense que ça pourrait être une bonne opportunité aussi. Donc de garder ces deux options ouvertes lorsqu'une consolidation, je pense que c'est très très bon. Yeah, thank you for this example, Mamba Mentalist. So that was pretty good, I think. Pretty good here. Take an eye on that. Okay, I'll take an eye on that. Copy. Oops. Look at this. All right, so let's move this. All right, so this is, hold on, wait a second. This is, what is it? This is AUD GPY. Okay, AUD GPY. Oh man, I love this. We can, okay. So let's see here, AUD GPY. So we're creating higher lows. That's pretty good. Create a new high here. Price came down, retest the high. So now a break of a resistance, but is that a resistance on? Oh, break this resistance, you mean? Yeah. This zone, I don't know about that zone. This is what? Which time frame is that again? Which time frame is that? Is that the 1 hour? Let's zoom his. Okay, well, that's 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, so this is 1 hour. So basically this zone, let me grab an arrow here. So I don't know about this zone. For me, there'll be a zone kind of, you know, right here, right? So yeah, break of this, and now price looking to push up. This is 1 hour. Maybe you have a retest here on 30 minutes. Pretty sure. And the cool thing is you got some clean traffic here to the next resistance here. So I think that can be a pretty nice target. Yes, you got your purple zone there. Yeah, yeah, I think that looks good, man. That looks pretty good. Should continue up here. Yeah, should continue up. Bon matin, Monsieur Philippe Miller.
Bon matin. How are you?
I'm pretty good, man.
Slept well?
Pretty good, but I didn't watch the full game yesterday because it was way too late.
Yeah, me neither.
This week sucks, man. We have games like at 10, 11.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see. I'm waiting for Cell for GA to give me the day. Oh, that's Mike. Time is your friend. Mike, I hope you got something out of that one-on-one you did yesterday. So...
Oh, yeah, one-on-one yesterday.
Yes. I mean, did a couple one-on-one with students so far. It's been...
Yes, Sasha. God bless you.
Oh. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I think it was pretty fun. Where's my water? Oh, here. Because part of the challenge to drink 64 ounces of water. Hey Sasha, can you please analyze gold? Yes, I'm gonna take a look at it. But you can also send your chart, Rages. Options open for sure. Thanks, Sasha. That's member. All right, perfect. I got 20 pips in London, mate. Thanks to you, to your analysis you posted. It helped me a lot, man. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, you speak French, Sasha? Yes, I do. I do speak two language, both bad. So, so, so bear with me. Amazing. Are you in a GA cell? No, I'm not in GA. We got students that probably has still runners. No, oh no, Francesco closes straight full, but
No.
you close full right here at the support, or right here at the support.
I close at a field Wickfield.
Oh, Wickfield, this Wickfield here. Yeah, that was perfect. You had a pretty early entry, so it's pretty good, man. Nice trade.
That's the goal.
Let's see.
And well, GA from like 4:30 is beautiful.
Yeah. That's yeah, we had this nice pattern, classic break and retest. Holy man, this morning I'm having a hard time speaking. Phew. Alright, so Michael, could I have your opinion on my GJ cell plan? Thanks, dogs. Alright, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look. Boom. This is GJ 30 minutes. And we got this no trade zone here. But if you have a no trade zone, you should put your zone, right? Just make sure it's clear for you. Because is this all no trading zone maybe? This full square? That makes sense. 1 to 30 minute to close below here. That is 150, 850, okay. I also know that this move can happen without a close of the 30 minute. That's fine. I will be entering an impulse entry because of those previous rejection. Oh, I will not probably. You're missing.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, probably I will not. Okay. Take a sell with stops above previous 15 or 10 minute candle. Yeah, totally makes sense. I mean, you have clean traffic here. So let's take a look here. Let's take a look at GJ. For me, I'm looking for sells under that 150 750 QP. I'm gonna be looking at sells under this. But until then, I'm looking for price to reject that golden zone and push back up, right? Um, if I can see a support form like around like 150 750, I think that can be great. Because when price, when we are at, and that's sometimes a lot of people have problems seeing this, but when they see, and that's, I think, a lot of people do mistakes. They're trying to sell, like, if price comes down, oh man, I'm always doing this. All right, so if price comes down over here, they're like, oh man, price is in a sell, so let's sell over here, like right here. It's not a good idea, Price is pushing up, come down, create support, break, retest, and break this high. Price came down, create support, come back, break the high. Price came up, needs to come down, create support to come back and retest. A lot of people sell around here. I'm not saying it cannot work. It might dip down a little bit, but there's a big chance it's gonna push. So selling in an uptrend like this is really risky. Really, really risky. I'm not saying I'm not selling. I'm not saying it's not gonna work, but there's less probability to work, right? So I think that's really important. So now looking at this 30-minute now. All right, let's clear everything. Let's me do this in French because I think that was a pretty good idea also. Pretty good example so for people to learn from it. Donc si on regarde sur ce chart-là qu'on a été envoyé, la personne regardait pour un sell en dessous de 150-800, ok, pour une vente. Personnellement, ce que je disais, c'est que de vendre dans une tendance qui est à la hausse aussi forte que ça, c'est très risqué, ok? Très, très risqué. Beaucoup de gens font l'erreur. Let me grab this. Beaucoup de gens font l'erreur d'aller vendre justement ici. OK, même concept. Il y a des gens qui vont venir vendre ici. Pourquoi? Parce que le prix va vers le bas. Mais il faut comprendre pourquoi le prix va vers le bas. Le prix va vers le bas parce que précédemment, il était vers le haut. Il a dû descendre un peu, former un support, monter, retester ce haut-là, le briser, créer un nouveau haut, venir vers le bas, créer un support, pousser, retester le nouveau haut, le briser, créer un nouveau haut, venir vers le bas, former un support et le but serait de venir vers le haut, retester pour continuer et former un nouveau haut. OK? Donc, c'est un petit peu ça ici. Man, I think...
You wouldn't... I just did the golden zone too and I agree, like, it seems like the sell is appropriate, but...
Yeah, I'm not saying it's not going to work, but
it might just be
it's risky.
Fake out, but it might just go to the zone and come back up. So I think safer sells, safer sells are much lower.
Yeah. Oops.
Much lower.
So especially if this 30-minute now, after coming down, if this 30-minute breaks this high, there's a huge chance for price to push up. So especially that morning, bon matin.
Hey, Mark.
So if you look on this 30-minute, this candle didn't broke previous low. This candle didn't broke previous low. So we're creating what? Higher lows, right? So I think if we break this high, we can see price rejecting this golden zone. So it came and dipped down. So if you go down to 5 minutes, maybe we can see something. Let's take a look. 15-minute and 5-minute. Yeah, we just like reject barely that golden zone. Let's go. La 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 la.
Hey Sach, tu dois le faire de moi.
Quoi?
J'ai un nouveau micro.
T'as quoi?
Oh!
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Micro maintenant.
Oh!
Sorry, but le son est déjà mieux, man.
Ouais, c'est clair.
Ah non, big time là.
J'entends même ta moustache flotter.
Yeah, so I think if this candle went bearish for like 25 minutes, okay? For 25 minutes, this candle was bearish, and now it started to flip bullish on GJ. And looking at H1, we got this H1 flipping bullish also. So yeah, I mean, if we break this high, this thing should continue up. Yeah. All right, looking G, waiting to see if we can break this retest. So I guess the setup that's gonna happen now, it's GJ. It's probably gonna play. We'll see. We have like what, a minute, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. And you see it went up. It went up pretty quick and came right down. All right. This is actually funky. We have a little, on MT4, I have a little gap between those last 2:30 minutes. Yeah. It's weird.
That's weird. I don't have that.
Yeah, I was very tiny, probably like a pip or so. But weird.
G, elle a tellement l'air plus juicy que GG.
Ouais, GG, il a l'air compliqué en ce
Oh,
moment.
and GJ is in a crazy place right here, because I mean, if let's say you buy over here, okay, let's say you buy on the break of the high, and that's why I'm not gonna be taking this, you know. It might work, yeah, like I said, it might be a beautiful move, but my problem is if we buy here, we have like 6 pips before this resistance, you know. And if we, let's say we buy over here and on the break of this resistance, now, oops, next is at like 4 pips or like 15 pips. So we don't have a big range, right? So that's why I'm not willing to take a buy in this region. Yeah, like I said, it might play out. If you want a quick like 10 pips, it might work. But yeah, I'm looking to try something different this week. Trying to place my auto stop break even at 11 pips, and my first partial is going to be at 15. So that's what I tried yesterday. It actually played out pretty well. My auto BE got hit at 11 pips, and my trade went to 14.6 pips. So I missed it kind of by 0.4. Thing was the spread. And I was really tight before resistance, so that was the problem. So that's why now I want to really try this new thing for the rest of the week. And the reason why I'm doing this is I went through my journal during the weekend, and I realized that probably like 7 or 8 times out of 10, when my trade went to 11 pips, it actually went to 15. So, and more, you know. So I was like, all right, so at least 15 pips, it can make a huge difference. 4 pips the plus per day on like 2 or 3 position, at the end of the day, it makes a huge difference, right? So that's what I'm looking at this week.
I think GG can come back and do a little retest then go down.
Ça, tu fais-tu juste ça sur GA?
En fait, ce que j'ai réalisé, c'était sur GG, parce que GA, j'ai à peine 10 trades sur GA, tu sais.
Ouais.
Fait que c'était principalement sur GG.
Ok. GA, ça pourrait être nice d'avoir un ducktail setup, mais on a encore beaucoup trop tôt.
Ouais. GA Sasha, okay, there is no stream from Raja today. Expect more viewers. Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Mais on est,
Il y a
est
du
live,
des
on,
trucs à s'occuper.
Il a
on
dit
est
que...
live pour de vrai, j'avais oublié. Man.
Ouais. Il a dit quoi, Marc?
On est mardi.
Il a dit quoi, Marc?
Il a dit qu'il y avait des trucs personnels à s'occuper aujourd'hui.
Ah ouais, okay. All right then. So spread the good news then.
Bringing the gulag.
Yeah, man, bring it. Sasha, are you gonna get the new model of Magic Key? Probably. I'm probably gonna buy the new one and probably gonna draw this one. So I'm gonna give it away. When? I don't know. It depends when I receive the new one. How can you trade if you're busy in the NY session? How can you trade if you're busy in the NY session? I mean, you just don't trade the NY session. You just trade the Asian or the London session. Yeah. Um, so yeah, so this break here, my kind of trade will be like wait for this wick to come up and come down, this dogtail setup, but it's kind of early for that dogtail setup. So usually that dogtail setup works pretty good on NY Open, NYSC Open, London close, you know, when there's a lot of volume in the market. And how big is this candle, the previous one? This previous candle was like what? 20, 28 pips? Yeah, it's medium, medium, medium. If it was like a 40 pip candle, I'll be like, all right, there's a lot of volume in that market right now, so maybe we can give it a try to that dogtail setup. Hey guys, over 200 people here, only 100 likes. So please, guys, smash. Where is it? Smash that like button. All right. And we reached the first level of 100 likes. So that was the first goal for this morning. Thank you very much, guys. Next up is 150. So let's go to 150 likes.
Inte like your sister stream now.
GA Sasha, yes. GA closed. Yes, GA closed above. So now I'm waiting for a retest. And if I miss the move, I miss the move. Sasha, are you waiting for GA to create a resistance before taking a short? Yes. Yes, I do. GA sells. Yeah, it looks like it. Sasha, what do you think about sales on GJ a close below 840? I guess I just explained that a couple minutes ago, but yeah, the problem is people is trying to sell at a low, right? So, I mean, price needs to come up, come down, form support, push back up. We are in a heavy bullish trend, so I'm not looking for sells. Looking for sells probably only if we break and retest 750, but safer sell is going to be like under 150, 400. But until then, we are trending hard bullish, so I'm not looking for sells. It's not because price suddenly start pushing down that we are now trending bearish, right? You need to understand how price works. I mean, price come up. I mean, in my book, price came up, create a new high. So now we need price to come down, create support to retest the high. So 80% of the time, this new high is going to be retested. What is QP? QP stands for quarter points. Sasha, are you waiting for... Oh, yeah, answer that. Either way, I like to watch both streams. Sasha is a cool guy. Oh, thank you. I'm trying to be cool. I don't know if that worked. No, I don't try anything. I'm just myself. Sasha, is your Zoom open to Slack at Market Fluidity? No, unfortunately, I can't. And the reason why is my plan for Zoom is not big enough. Last time I actually paid it just for that week, you know. So I increased to 500 people. But right now I only have like, I think, is it 50 or 100? So that's why the Zoom is only for students right now. So it will not have enough place for Market Fluidity people because there's too many people. Last time it filled up in like at 500 like in no time. So I mean 300, sorry. Alright, so let's see here. Sasha, is your Zoom open to... Oh, I guess I just answered that, right? Yeah, sorry, I wish I can, guys. Yeah. Gulag gonna come here today. Oh, awesome. We're gonna have fun. Let's have fun. Sasha, are you gonna dance for us today? I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe if we could get to 500 likes, maybe. Maybe. Buy high, sell low, bro. Yes, exactly. It's a new concept, right? It's a new concept, new strategy. I know it's hard. Nobody knows about that secret strategy of buying low and selling high. I mean, vice versa. You see, it can get confusing. So yeah, yeah. I'm on fire, man. I trained yesterday, so I'm ready, man. Yeah, we got this new challenge with our students, and yeah, it's fire. Um, Seems like GA might give a good retest on 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look. You see now GJ's pushing up. So I think if GJ breaks this high, we can get a nice trade here on this. Me personally, I'm not gonna take that one because the only thing I don't like is this resistance is too close. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. This high should get retested, right? So yeah, probably gonna work here. H1. Yeah, if H1 form a nice support though, it's gonna be a stronger confirmation. I might be interested. But we got this resistance right here. I didn't put a zone because I have my major QP right here, but we have this resistance. So maybe if this H1 close above this QP, now it's gonna be interesting for me. The reason why, based on H1, we got those wick fill to fill. We got this rejection to the golden zone, and like Mark is saying, we were creating lower lows, and now we are changing trend, right? So this low respected previous low, and now we see next candle if we can start going up. And those arrows is brought to you by Mark the Stash. All right, guys. So let's take a look at GA. Yeah, G is gonna look good, man. G is giving us that retest on that 30 minutes, so pretty interesting. Let's see here. Sasha took 10 pips profit on EJ today because of your knowledge. Thanks a lot. Oh wow, ramen. That's pretty cool, man. Man, I love reading those. Fun, man. Like my biggest paycheck is actually when someone got a move from stuff that we talked about, right? This is my biggest paycheck. Oops. Like this morning when Francesco sent his chart, one of our students, and he had a pretty good win on GA, I was like, yeah, that's it. That's good. Based on stuff that he learned in the course, that was pretty good. All right, so EJ here, 30 minutes. Let's see. All right, so we are in a strong uptrend, daily trend. Okay, broke H4 resistance, made a high, sweet, retest QP level, awesome. Broke H4 level, enter at the opening of that candle, SL on the previous candle right here, secure 10 pips and profit. Wow, sweet, man. Pretty good. That was a little risky though here. To be honest, it was a little risky because of this range here, but man, you managed it well, and you took your profits, so that's pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. All right, so we got over like almost 400 people. We should get to at least 250 likes, at least.
Likez ça tout de suite, ça va en faire un de plus.
Bare minimum.
Il va arrêter de nous demander son like.
Is it too late for top-down analysis? Oh yes, but the good thing on YouTube though is you can actually pause it, rewind, watch the first couple minutes, so you'll see the top-down analysis. Give us 2 good trades, please. We'll see, man. I'm not rushed.
Achète live. Juste achète.
What's this? All good. YouTube's gonna do its job. Yes. Phil Miller in the Zoom chat, please smile and stop looking like an angry Shrek.
Shit.
Oh shit! Oh, that one's good, man.
No.
Oh man, Shrek. Oh, I like that.
Phil, il aura plus jamais sa caméra d'ouvert, man.
Dude, you look like a Shrek, kind of.
Hey, ça c'est bon.
Oh, this shit was funny as fuck. Wow. Oh wow, that
Ça commence fort.
man, Gulag is here, man. So get ready.
Yeah.
Uh,
Flag is here.
so people were picking on Zane before, so now they choose you, man. So Phil,
Me.
congratulations, you just leveled up. Sasha, do you think that double support touch on GJ indicate to push up? For me, yes. For me, it's a good. It's actually what you see right here. I'm gonna show you, because maybe some people are not used to that, but what you see here, it's what? Yes. So that's why I'm saying if we see H1 closing above here, it might be interesting for buys, right? So, yeah.
GA, c'est vraiment le plus délicieux en ce moment.
Oh, absolument, absolument. But for me, GA looks much, 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 much better.
Yeah. Can't wait.
Yeah. All right, so let's see here. Hey Sasha, okay, perfect. Ear my analysis, I know it's good. I just want you to review it. Oh, where is it? You didn't post it. What? Hey Sasha, opinion on gold with a break above 1712, the upside for bull. Okay, we're gonna take a look at it, but nobody sent a chart on gold, so here's my analysis. Okay, 250 likes only when you promise to dance. Yeah, I know. Hey Sasha, can you please check out that gold chart? Oh, here's a gold chart. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Hey, let me try to message Kerwin. Maybe we can get Kerwin on. Yeah, let's see if he replies. All right, so looking at gold right now. Wow, man, that's a lot of lines. Whoo! My eyes are having a heart attack. All right, so let's see here. What I cannot even read. Can I zoom? Maybe. If price touch neck of the supply area, sell purpose. Trend is down at the confluence. We also have a fib golden zone right here. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna take a look at it on the chart. So basically, you're looking at a sell. It's not clear, man. It's definitely not clear. I don't know what I'm looking for. You're looking for sells or buy? I don't know. It's not clear. But let's take a look.
Man, c'est quoi cette chart?
C'était intense, hein? C'était.
Ça doit être un élève à fil, ça.
This is so funny. Alright, so looking at gold, let's delete all those known were from maybe 2 days ago. Alright, so let's take a look. Wow, man, gold has been dropping like crazy. So let's take a look here. We got this. Oh, we are at a heavy daily support here. Extend to the right. Let's put this blue. Yeah, right there. All right, so looking at 4 hours, let's adjust the zone. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's take a look at 1 hour. Yeah, I think that if we form resistance kind of right here, I think that can be great for sells, right? Um, yeah, because if you look, I mean, you're creating what? We're creating. God damn. Right? So we can also do this kind of thing that they call a trend line. And I don't use trend line. This is just to show you that we are trending down, right? So this is just for visual support. So yeah, I think if we form resistance right around here, I think we can have a nice sell here. We have some clean traffic to the downside. That looks pretty amazing. If we break this zone, yeah, I'd be looking for buys. But if not, I'd be looking for sells. Yeah, and let's take a look at this for a second. Short. Let's take a look at this. Whoops. So this is the safety net. Let's see if it's going to be rejected or not. 30 minutes. Yeah. We need to respect this zone. So if this zone gets broken, yeah, we're going to look for uptrend. We're going to look for a change of trend, right? But if this doesn't get broken, I'm going to be looking for sells on gold. And this, oops. Yeah, that's my plan here. I'm not going to be trading it. I'm going to paper trade it, but we'll see. Let's see, did he answer? Let me do this right here. Boom, boom, boom. Just trying to see here. There we go. It's pretty good. I found a resume on YouTube. I found you and Kerwin and Deman. I was just looking for some motivation. Oh, awesome.
Man, chier, là, si on forme résistance, là, ça va être directement sur une des 80, puis ça commence à m'exciter pas pire.
Ouais, je me suis mis un sell limit, moi, avec ça.
Oh!
Une bleue après ça une rouge, là. Gonna be good.
Yeah, G is looking very promising. Yeah, if this can close bullish like this and next one close bearish,
yeah,
it's gonna be amazing. All right, so Karen, if you're not stopping spamming this chat asking where's Raja, dude, I'm not is in this short, you know. Dude, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know where he is. Call him. You know, just like.
J'ai pas vu son. Il a mis un story sur Insta.
Guys, don't be guys, every time he doesn't stream, where he is. Dude, if he wanna say, he's gonna say. If he doesn't wanna say, he's not gonna say. You know, he has his personal life too, man. Come on, give the guy a break. Jesus. All right, let's see here. Since we had some spamming in the chat, I mean the chat is got lost now. So let's see here. 250 likes. You got to dance. Oh no, we'll go to 500. Man, we got 500 people here today, so we should get to at least, okay, at least 400. Trade with the pack is GPPAUD sell now. How can it be a sell now if this is bullish? It's not. No, it's not a sell. I'm waiting. If you read here, it says wait for break and retest, so it's not a sell now. Let's see. A slash opinion on gold with a break above. Okay. Yeah, I guess 1712. You guys says. Let me see here. 1712. Oh yes, exactly. Yeah, we're talking about this resistance here. For me, safer probably above like 1714, I guess. Let's take a look at 1 hour. Yeah, I want to break above this. But again, it's starting to reject this this zone here. Let's go back to GA. Let's see. Man, the chat is crazy. What happened to Zane? I don't know. He's there sometimes. Yeah, that's exactly what I said as well. All right, but I'm waiting for 151, 200 for GJ buys. Yeah, GJ buys is, yeah. So I guess if you took it on the break of the high, probably a couple of pips in profit. Probably like what, 4 pips? Let's see. Yeah, 4 pips.
J serait nice à baisse juste si on close en haut de 1,51 en H1.
Ouais, ben c'est ça, c'est exactement ce que je disais tantôt. Hein. Ouais. What session you mostly trade? Mostly New York session. But once we're gonna get enough people that trades London session in our student group, probably gonna trade once a week with them the London session. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, or maybe once or 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see. Hey Sasha, my gold analysis. Did I look at that? I don't know. Let's see. Boom boom. Oh, wrong chart, I guess. Oh, what happened here? Control V. Oh, that worked. All right. So this is gold USD. All right. So what is the price here? 1712. Break and retest. Yeah, that's good. But I would make sure that we break this resistance here. So I think you're missing one resistance here. You're missing this one here. So yeah, that's the only thing. But yeah, it makes sense. But again, we are in a downtrend on gold, so buying is more risky. So you want to make sure you get good confirmation, right? Boom, 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 boom. We got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. And I don't like the fact that this 1 hour is coming back above here. on GA. So if this 1 hour closes back in this range, it's a little scary here. But if it closes under this QP, that would be perfect. That would be perfect. But again, I need the next candle to print bearish, you know, to form resistance. So trading, you need to be patient, right? Mike, what's the saying, Mike? What's the thing you were saying yesterday? Mike, you there?
Yes, Sasha.
What was the thing you were saying yesterday about time?
Time is my friend.
Time is your friend. That's it. That's awesome. Alright, so let's see here. Hey Sasha, opinion on gold. Okay, we took a look at that. Let's see. Here again, cause Wix Don't Lie isn't streaming. Hey guys. Hey, what's up, bro? Almost 500 people here, so we should get 250 easy. 250 like. Let's smash that like button, guys. Come on, thank you. Let's see. Buys on gold. Yeah, for me, buys on gold is going to be above 15, 17, we say? Hold on, wait a second. What did I say? 17. For me, 17, 14. Yeah, so for me, it's above 17, 14. Alright, so let's see here. Did I post? I did post it. Maybe the complete link got censored. Oh. So what is that here? Oh yeah, full link. Yeah, guys, if you're trying to post the full link of the trading view, yes, YouTube removes it automatically. Here we go. So this is GJ. Whoops, what the hell happened here? Okay, so GJ 30 minutes. Sell at break and close below 150,800. Okay. And buys above 150. Yeah, I think that's safe, you know. Buys above that. Yeah. If it wasn't for this mess here, I will be looking for buys around here. Because you wanna buy low, you know. You don't want to buy high. But yes, of course, if you have a break and retest and now you push up, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, so I think here on gold, yeah, I'm gonna paper trade this. I'll be looking at a short right here. And yep. So right at the break of this low right here on this 5 minute. And yeah, see if we can retest that low. And stop's gonna be right here. So I'll be looking for, let's say, 1-to-1. So this is 26 pip. So there we go. Let's see if we can trigger this. But yeah, I think it was great here on the break of that low. 15 minute. Yeah, this I like this on 15 minute. This huge wick rejection, lower body, meaning we got some selling pressure. So yeah, looking good. We should be able to fill this wick. And we got some clean traffic to the left side on 30 minute. Yeah. This entry might be a little early, but I think it makes sense. Yeah, it definitely makes sense. But we got this minor support here, so we need to break this minor support to make sure we continue down. But higher time frame looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Alright, so let's take a look here. I'm pretty sure I looked at this. gold analysis. I'm pretty sure I looked at it. Yeah, so we looked at that. Yeah, we got to 250. Sweet. Only look for, yeah, let me remove this smash button. It's annoying. Oh. Qui me fait des beaux dessins, là?
Retourne en arrière, la chart que t'as ouverte. Je suis sûr que t'as même pas spot.
Non, j'ai rien vu. Attends un peu, bouge pas. Oh! I didn't see the comment here. Morning session, the gang. Oh, sweet. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. So nice retest here on 15 minutes on GA. That's perfect. All right, so this 30-minute, I completely forgot to check it out, but this 30-minute close is amazing. I like this 30-minute close, and the reason why we actually came up, we retest, and we reject, and we close under that QP. So for me, if we can print this candle bearish, I'm going to be looking for sells on GA. Yeah, I think that's be perfect. Perfect classic break and retest. Yes, sometimes we need to go back to basics, right? Hey Sasha, can we get the Zoom link in Market Fluidity, please? Oh yeah, I explained that already. Unfortunately, I can't, and the reason why is really simple. I want to, but I can't, and the reason is the Zoom, my Zoom, the plan is too small for Market Fluidity. Last time I did it, I paid for only 1 week to have to up to 500 people, but mine is limited to I think 50 or 100. I can't remember. So yeah, it's not gonna be enough for everyone. So I think it's unfair to post it, and a lot of people is gonna be refused, right? So yes, I'm sorry about that, guys. Can you check my analysis on GU? All right. GU chart. Jimmy va être content. What did I did? Wait a second. Oh yeah, no, you okay, so when you send a chart on YouTube, guys, you need to click on this camera. You need to copy paste from the \X to the end. Donc, ce que j'expliquais tantôt sur gold, so let me do this in French too for gold because I've completely forgot. So let me take 2 minutes here. Donc, sur gold, je regardais pour une vente principalement. Pourquoi? Parce qu'on crée des hauts plus bas que les précédents. Ok? J'ai tout le temps la misère à traduire les mots, certains mots. Donc, principalement, ce que je regardais, c'est pour une résistance qui soit formée pour vendre. Ok? C'est pas parce que le gold pousse vers le haut tout d'un coup que c'est un uptrend, right? Ça va être une tendance à la hausse lorsqu'on va briser cette résistance-là. Mais jusqu'à date, on respecte ça. Donc, c'est pour ça que je regardais une résistance ici. Ça va être une meilleure confirmation, évidemment, en 30 minutes. Mais si on regarde en 15 minutes sur le gold, on a cette belle réjection-là en haut et on a un petit corps. Donc, ce qui indique de la pression pour la vente. Okay? Ce qui indique selling pressure. Puis si on regarde sur le 5 minutes, on avait notre belle résistance. Le gold, c'est la seule paire que je prends, que je regarde le 5 minutes. Man, almost full TP here. We're what? 2 pips away from full TP. That was pretty quick. Yeah, so at this stage, I mean, yeah, stubs at break even. Probably close like 70%. And yeah, because most of them going to be looking at 15 pips, right? So secure profit at 15 pips, move stop to break even. And I think 1 for 1. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good win on gold. So man, if you got that little sell, man, Give that stream a like. All right, so let's see here. Chat. Man, I'm late in that chat. So let's see here. If you guys attended yesterday's session, you will know where Raja is. Oh, there we go. Can you put people in a time who post the same message? Okay, yeah. Sasha, do you add to your winning position when they are going your way? It all depends on the setup. Yeah, it depends on the setups. But if this 30-minute close like this, man, with no wick at the top, we're going to mirror this move and we're going to go down to probably 1702. Yeah. Especially if we break the low. Alright, so let's see here. Oh, Rages, when is the next Forex talk over a beer? I have a Corona in the fridge ready for it. That's good, man. Next Forex talk over a beer is Wednesday. Actually, if you go on YouTube, if you guys go on YouTube, like here, I mean, you are on YouTube, but if you go on my main page, where is it? Not showing. So if you go on the main page, you can see the schedule here on the banner. Alright, so full TP hit here on that gold trade, but I'm sure there's still room for a runner. Probably going to be going to 702, but if it was me trading gold, I would secure probably pretty much everything because I hate to hold trades, especially on gold. I mean, he moves so fast. I will be securing position for sure. Probably leave a tiny runner, but man, right on the dot, man. Boom. It's pretty good. What time is it? 7:09. Bonjour Sacha, bonjour Albert. Bonjour. Of course, it's gonna go for yeah, someone says Gabrois. You can see how many people depends on Raja stream to take a trade. LOL. Yeah. Yeah, this people is dumb as okay. Sorry guys, love you Sasha. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Raja is not streaming today, man. Do your own analysis. Okay, blah blah blah.
Sasha, now gold is on, I think it's on a golden zone level. It may go up again.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's good.
Draw the Fibonacci on the 50 minutes, 30 minutes, you should get it.
Yeah, but the problem is if you look at the trend, we're trending down. So that's why I was looking for sells, right? So, and that's why I was waiting for resistance to be formed to sell it.
Okay.
But yes, it might reverse also, but I'm going to be looking at buys only if we break 1714.
Yeah, exactly. It's gold, nobody knows what we'll do.
Yeah, gold is wild. Gold can actually trade diagonals if it decide to, just like man, gold can do anything. It's gold, right? So
yeah, exactly.
Are you in France or Canada? Canada. So I'm in Montreal, Canada. Hi Sasha, I know you don't use trend line, but I noticed this trend line on GA. Do you think it might be safer to enter sell once it break the trend line? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is what, 30 minute? Oh yeah. Yeah, for me, yeah, it might be safer. For me, it's a be a good enough confirmation for, because if next candle prints and prints bearish engulfing, that means I'm right at that at your trend line, right? So yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. That. But if you're looking on the if you're looking daily right now, we are at the daily resistance, right? And we are trending down, right? So, oops. So I don't know how to place those trend line to be, anyways, effective. But yeah, so anyways, so yeah, so that's my thinking here. So we are at the daily resistance. We rejected it. And yeah, the overall time frame, we're bearish. The intercession is bullish, so this is bullish, right? And it's coming to a low, so that's why I'm waiting for confirmation, because most of the time it's gonna get a fake out, right? Oh, actually, hold on, wait a second, it's actually happening. Is it happening? Yeah, here we go. So you see, that's why you wait for confirmations, because now if this candle breaks and close back again above this zone, now I'm looking for buys, of course, you know, especially on H1, it looks beautiful. So if this one closed bullish, yep, looking for buys. Because yeah, I can see now this trend being respected, right? But I was pretty sure that we were coming down since the daily resistance kind of rejected it. And we had this reversal pattern also. We had this head and shoulders on 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it kind of makes sense to continue down. But again, we didn't have our break and retest. I mean, we have our break, retest, but this candle, if it closed bullish, sells invalid, right? So now I'm going to be looking at buys. Yeah, boy. Donc, so let me do this in French for a second. I'm going to translate that because I think it's important. Donc, ça, on regarde présentement sur le pound dollar australien. Donc, on a présentement cette chandelle-là qui est en train de virer, pas qui vire, mais qui est bullish puis qui a brisé le haut précédent. Donc, si je regarde sur le H1, si la prochaine chandelle H1 ferme en haut de cette zone-là, je vais probablement regarder pour un buy. Mais si on a la 30 minutes qui est ici, oh god damn, si on a la 30 minutes qui est ici, qui ferme bearish, je vais regarder pour une vente. So now we gotta wait what's gonna happen. Man, we are likewise, we are at a QP level of 275 in the likes. So we should get to the next major QP in likes, which is 300. So yeah. And guys, if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, do so you'll know next time we go live, and you can also activate notification. Sasha, do you use a web trader from your broker or on your Mac? Oh, on my Mac, I use I only use TradingView on my Mac, and I trade my MT4s actually on my laptop PC on my left. So yeah, I kept that. I'm actually gonna do a video about all this because a lot of people's been asking that. So yeah, I'm gonna post that on YouTube. So you want to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Again, I'm gonna add more stuff to YouTube. Yeah. Hey Sasha, can we send charts? Yes, definitely. Yeah. Chef, this is not Raja's stream. Why people are looking for Raja here? Is he ever here on this stream? This stream belongs to Sasha. Raja ain't got shit to do with this. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, I think that was a good good resume. Good recap, man. Hey Sasha, if GA melts, what is your TP? Oh, this next, my final destination is gonna be this support here, but probably this QP, like the 750 QP, 500 QP. Sorry. Um, Sasha, can you please explain quarter points? I can explain briefly, but I mean, it can take like hours to explain the full concept. That's why I'm actually going to do some more videos on the course about that. I'm going to do QP 2.0 and all those things. But basically, what it is, they are psychological level, institution level. You can call it key level. You can call it how you want, but they are very strong level where people enter or exit trades, because when they enter or exit, they will say, I'm going to get in, let's say, at 142 500. They're not going to say, I'm going to get in at 142 217. They will not say that. They're going to use nice round number. Oh, Zane is here. Zane is on YouTube. All right, looking for GSLs. Yes. All right, Zane. Please just don't say it is what it is. Yeah, to be honest, I got brainwashed into that little sentence. So yeah, sometimes I say it. Sorry. Yeah, when when you spend a lot of time with the same people, you get those words, from them. Yeah, I can see that with the kid. The kid now, I have some expression that the kid now starting to say, and I'm like, oh man. My wife look at me, she's like, she got that from you. I'm like, yeah, I know. Sorry. So, yeah. Anyways, Sasha, you're from Montreal? Yes, I am. GJ Analysis here. What time is it now? What time is it? 7:18. All right. So far only one trade was called. It was the gold trade. GJ was, I was telling people basically on 30 minutes, if you break the high, it can continue up. It went to this major QP and start rejecting it. So that's why I was not interested to taking a buy here. But let's take a look here at this GJ idea. Let's take a look. Save buy above 140. I think we looked at this before. Yes. Is it the same chart? Am I looking at? Maybe. Yes, he is from the Poutine Capitale, Montreal. Yes, sir. So I guess I went to this. So sorry guys if I missed some charts, or just resend it because I'm kind of lost in the chat right now. GA respecting the QP. Oh yes, respecting so far. On the previous candle, but this one, like I said, if this one closed above, yeah, we can look at the same situation here when price came down to this QP, push back up, right? So it's something really possible. So I want to see it close above this zone for buys, and I want to see this candle to print bearish for sells. So pretty basic, right? If G breaks the low, will you enter? I will wait for close, a 30-minute close bearish to enter or sell. I have a new Mac and I can't run. I thought you just got a new computer. I was not so. Yeah, I got the new iOS. Yeah, the Big Sur. I don't know how to call it. Yes. Can't send chart since I'm not using TradingView. However, would appreciate if you could give your thought on Euro USD bullish outlook on the. I'm just wondering, if you're not using TradingView, what are you using? Is there any other platform? Probably is.
And the gap.
But to be honest, man, you should definitely use TradingView. It's just like, this is the best tool. Just like, it's like trying to build a house without a hammer. Just like, it might be hard. It's just like, I don't know. Just my thought, right? Yeah, I know Zane. I think Zane is using Parallel also for his MacBook. I'm not sure, but I please check my chart. Bilal. All right, let's take a look. Man, you guys are way too active on the chat, man. Sorry, I cannot follow everyone. I'm trying. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. All right. So what is this? This is GA. All right. Buys above this level. If the next candle created down shadow, then breaks above the previous candle, can it be a good confirmation for bias thought? Oh yes, actually, you mentioned that, so that's good. Yeah. Yeah, that would be good. Good idea. Pretty good. Okay, let's stand up. It's time to stand up. All right. Oh man. Yeah, so yesterday was my first training after a 3 months break, and let me tell you, I feel it to this morning. Man, everything, abs, back, man, everything hurt. It's just like, whew. Man, I was way overdue. This is not selling the top on gold, Sasha? Yes, which is good, right? That's what you want. You want to sell the top, right? You don't want to buy the top. You want to sell the top. So, and yeah, as you see, I mean, I was saying we're going to go to the next support here at 1702. And yeah, man, if you grab this move, phew, sheesh. Man, wow, that was a beautiful gold trade, man. I think I'm going to start trading gold now. Look at this thing go. Yeah, I think it was pretty good. So what is it? Runner, is that like what? 52 pips? Shit. But should hit this zone right here, to be honest. So secure to 1-to-1, 1-for-1 on gold. Leave a small runner and that's it, you know. But make sure you secure profits on gold because man, gold can reverse at any time. Sasha, I know you don't use. Okay, so we signed that. Okay. Man, I'm trying to follow the chat right now. It's been a little crazy. All right, can you take a look at my Euro GPY trade? Let's take a look. Looking for buys above 129, 480, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I don't see much in here because I don't see your thought process, right? So I don't know why you're entering a buy. And yeah, the only thing I see is a green square and a red rectangle, right? So that's the only thing I see. But from what I understand, you want to take a buy above 129, 508, if I'm not wrong. But looks good because you got some clean traffic here, but I cannot see anything on the left. You got this huge. No, I thought it was a wick, but it's no, okay, that's the frame. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, the only thing though is, oh yeah, all right. Now you have your change of direction here. You got this resistance. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure. For me, I would have waited for break and retest and continue up, especially on EJ. EJ doesn't move that fast, so most of the time it should give you that retest. So that's why you want to secure on gold, right? So yeah. So full TP was hit here at 26. I think it was 26 pips, right? Was it 26? I can't remember. How much was my stop? My stop was what the hell? So my stop entry was on the 5 minute. I just want to journal that for my here. So stop was right here. So 28. So I went for 1 for 1. 28.
Moi, j'ai juste
28.
une question pour
28.
les pips sur Go.
Alright, so that's
Pourquoi
it.
c'est 28 pips? Puis pourquoi c'est pas 285 pips?
Ah, ça dépend comment tu. Il y a des brokers qui vont le calculer en c'est la même chose, là. C'est le décimal à l'endroit qui est placé. Je sais jamais comment l'expliquer, là, mais en réalité, c'est 28 pips. C'est pas 285 pips. T'sais. Ça me fait toujours rire quand je vois des traders du Québec, de Laval, qui postent 2585 pips sur Gold. Je suis comme, dude, c'est 285 pips, là. Mais, ok, c'est correct. Je dis pas que c'est pas bon, là, c'est bon. Mais c'est pas 2580. C'est des points. C'est comme 2585 points, je pense. Mais en réalité, si tu regardes le nombre de pips, c'est 28 pips. So.
Ok.
Je trouve ça tout le temps drôle quand quelqu'un dit ah man, j'ai pogné 285 pips sur Gold. Je suis comme, really?
Ouais, ben, il faisait ça dans la vie, là.
Tu sais, c'est comme, yeah, when someone tells me, yeah, I got like 282 pips on Gold, I'm like, no, dude, you got 28 pips on Gold. So I'm like, anyways, all right, so let's see here. Sasha, can you take a look? Okay, what time is it now? 28. Okay, let's take a look at GA. Let's take a look at GA before looking at any other question. Oh, exactly what I wanted. Woohoo! All right, so this H1 looks pretty juicy now. I think this 30 minute, if it close above right here, looks pretty good for continuation to the upside. But my only problem is this zone here. How many pips is that? How many pips is that? 7 pips. Ooh. Not cool. Not cool. Yeah, you know what? For better confirmation, I'm going to wait for that 1 hour. Man, I'm being super patient. Yeah. Because if this H1 closed above this range, I think it looks good. But again, this...
Attends, check stash en H1. Check ici.
Ouais. C'est pour ça que je veux vraiment un strong close above. Yep.
Vu qu'on est juste dans la zone de liquidité en H1 en ce moment, fait que ça veut pas full dire grand chose.
Non, c'est ça. Yeah, so I'm going to be patient on this. I'm going to wait for better confirmation. So my new thing this year is less quantity, better quality.
Check GJ live, il est clean.
GJ, oh yeah. Super clean.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe, man? C'est déjà plus la spot.
What the hell is going on with GJ?
Yeah.
Shit, man. Trust me, you don't want to trade this now.
151 is pretty strong.
I mean, if you got this trade when I say when broke the high, I hope you secure some profits. Because, I mean, probably what? Did it went to 10 pips?
Genre sweat.
Not even. Phew. Yeah, so I would know. I mean, this rejected this major QP, rejected this major QP. So let's see this one, what it'll do. But I will not be trading in this area. If...
Tu rends ça avec un pip de spread, oublie ça, là, t'as vu 400 pips.
Non, c'est ça, oublie ça. So this 30 minute closed bullish, but it's not strong enough for me to take a buy here. Yeah, I don't like the fact that we're respecting this wick, respected this previous zone here. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for that 1 hour to close. If this 1 hour closed bullish, it's going to be nice because support on H1 most of the time are really well respected. And if this closed bullish, I have clean traffic to the left on H1 and I'm going to be able to aim at that 15 pips minimum. So yeah, I think that's going to be good. So I'm going to be waiting here. Yeah, I wait for better confirmation. The reason why I wait for better confirmation, because my first plan was to sell, right? So now if I want to switch my bias to buys, I need a very strong confirmation. Let's see. Do you work with the same pairs all the time, or are you just looking what market can bring you new each day? No, I only focus on GJ mostly, and for the past maybe 3 months or so, I was being backtesting GA, and since this year, I started to trade GA also. So basically, GA and GJ. Sasha, why did you choose GA over GJ? Oh, I didn't. I trade mostly GJ. But when GA is cleaner, I just move to GA. So that's the two pair I focus on. Do you work with okay, I answered that. Please change that cap. Oh no, man, this is the real deal, bro. This is F1 team, bro. Come on, man. Man, Benz for life. F1, bro. It's either that one or the Red Bull, because they are both my theme. But now I'm really like the new Aston Martin team. So we're gonna see the new season. The new Netflix series gonna launch. I think it's just a couple days. I can't wait. I can't wait. That show is so good. Sasha, do you pay for the premium plan on TradingView? Hell no. Why should I pay TradingView plan when the only thing I use is the replay mode, and I can get it for free on Trixie? Look at this. You can go on Trixie. Whatever. I use this one to do boom, and you do this, and let's say you go, I don't know, you want to do the replay, boom, and I start from there, and I can do the replay mode. I got for free on Trixie. I mean, I pay for Trixie, but why should I pay twice? So that's pretty good. So Trixie, man, best tool ever, to be honest. I mean, if you're not using a trading journal, this is the one you want. There's other options. There's free options also, but this is my favorite one. This is my trades from yesterday. So I had an attempt at a GA swing trade. Man, almost there, and it got stopped. Hold on, wait a second. Did it play it out at the end? Shit. Look at this thing. I didn't realize. I'm looking at it right now. But yeah, so basically I did an attempt at swing trade. So yes, of course my stop was bigger, but my entry was smaller. Took an entry right here. It went up to 25 pips, secure 25%. And look at this stupid, random, freaking Asian session candle. Wick down, took me out at entry, and boom, went to final TP. Anyways. It is what it is. Oh shit, I said it.
You just said it.
Yeah. You realize it too late. Alright, so let's see here. I know I missed some message, guys, but sorry. It looked like the first. I'm trying to catch on the chat here. Ironman, Cave, you want to buy a top? Oh yeah, no, don't want to buy a top. So that's why I sold here, right? So, and it went to full TP. I actually went almost to this support. It should go down though. At this stage, like I said, stubs at break even, and let's see where it can go. And that was based on that 5 minutes. Let's see. You like Verstappen? Oh yes, man. But I mean, he's not my favorite. I kind of like him. I like more Sergio Perez. Perez is a solid driver. Lance Stroll, man, yeah, Lance Stroll for sure, man, because I'm Canadian, yes. Man, there's too many drivers I really like. It's, to be honest, like watching that show on Netflix, just like now I want all those drivers to be my friend. You know, they look nice. And Ricardo is fun, dude. Ricardo, his energy is just fun. Perez, Ricardo, Max Verstappen, of course Lewis Bottas. Um, who else do I like? Ricardo. Oh, I like Pierre Gasly. I like Pierre Gasly. Um, yeah, that's probably one. That's probably all the drivers I kind of watch. I really enjoy watching Carlos Sainz also. I think it's too bad he moved to Ferrari this year. I think it was a bad choice. Ferrari was pretty bad last year. Anyways, let's get back to this. Oh yeah, you see. Oh yeah, Dankton. You see more candles on the premium. Yes, of course. Yes, that would be the only really option that would be interesting for me. But that's it. Um, all right, so let's see here. Um, you see more what do you use for your fundamentals? Oh, I use this website. I use this one and this one. So that's the three website I kind of use. So I take a look at what's gonna happen news wise. Like this, we have this tonight for AUD, and I use Forex Factory, of course. But my favorite one is this one. It's Forex Live. So that's my favorite one. Did you hear back from Kerwin? That's a good question. Nope, not yet. Did he saw the message? He didn't even saw the message, so he's probably busy. BBK, what's up, man? That happens on the daily close. Oh, what? What happened on the daily close? I missed something, I guess. Probably missed a previous comment. Did you hear from... Oh, yeah, answer that. How much is a yearly subscription for Trixie? I don't know, but if you use... You can use this... Whoops. You can use this code and have 2 months for free. Not for free, sorry, for 50%. So I'm gonna paste it in the chat. There we go. Check gold. All right, let's take a look at gold. What happened to gold? Gold. Yeah, gold is doing its thing. I think that was a pretty good sell here on gold. Hopefully some people got it. Shane Cakes Kick Ironman. Why should I do that? He's been pretty good, pretty polite, no drama. Why should I do that? Only kick people when they deserve to be kicked. You know.
T'as eu ton trip sur GG. Sur GG, excuse.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so GJ is breaking, and that's perfect, you know. I like to see that.
That's beautiful.
This is perfect, because if this goes like this, it's going to be beautiful, like in, what, 19 minutes. Yeah. What time is it now? 7? Yeah, okay. So we still have this zone to close above, right? So for me, I'm no FOMO. I'm not stressed. If I miss the move, I miss the move, right? Just saying. But I think it's going to be a great place to grab this buy here. Yep. Looks like we're going to get the same setup as on the left, right? So it kind of creates support around the same area, and price came back up. It looks pretty good. La 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 la. All right, so where are we at? I'm almost up to date in the chat, man. No volume today. Not so bad. On GJ, it looks pretty slow. On G, it looks like we're having some volume. Elassen, Bagam, gold. All right, let's take a look. Man, there's a lot of gold chart today. Usually I get like maybe 1 or 2 chart from gold. Gold, all right. So price rejecting this area and confirming that we are leaving this zone. Safe buys above 1705, safe sell below 1694. Yeah, because now at this stage, yes, you need to break this minor zone, yeah, to sell. Definitely. But buys, I don't know. I don't know about buys because, I mean, you got this resistance right there and you got this minor resistance right here. So I don't know about buys here. I think you're trying to buy the top. So I will not be looking at that. For me, there's not enough room. But that's just me, right? This is just my style. I'm not saying I have the absolute truth, and I'm not saying I'm the best, and I'm not saying I'm the one making the most money, and I'm not doing any of those. I'm just sharing my opinion and my ideas. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, I mean, you can leave the stream. Oh, Mike, I missed your chart, man. You need to talk. You guys need to talk on Zoom when you have questions. GA at H1 better. Yes. Simon. Oh, Simon, you can, on TradingView, you can post the full link on TradingView. What am I saying? On Zoom. On Zoom, you can post the full link. Let's take a look.
Okay.
And guys, if I don't see your chart, please comment, like, talk. Because sometimes I'm just looking at... What?
I'm having lunch.
Okay. Perfect. All right, so here, this is GA, waiting to buy above 180, 170. Yeah, makes sense. Perfect. Awesome.
Yes. Thank you.
Good job, Mike.
Thank you.
And Simon, maybe you want to post the full link. Maybe can I copy?
Okay. Just nothing. It's not a question. Just to let you see. Now it's rejecting the golden zone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, nothing important.
All right. Let's see here. Did you earn from Cameroon? No. To the gold. How much is it? Hey, Sasha, what do you think about this? I think I'm not sure. Tony. Until his bipolar attack kicks in. Oh, goes off on you. No, people don't go off on me, Shane. And the reason why is I don't go off on anyone. So I'm a pretty peaceful guy. So, I mean, if anyone comes after me, I'm like, all right, have a great day, dude. Just like, I'm not going to spend any energy in any sort of drama on IG. And if it start to become a drama, I'm just going to be out of IG. You know, I don't give a shit. I don't need anyone, you know. I'm sharing this because I like it and it's a passion. But if it becomes like pain in the butt, I'm out. I don't give a crap. So, GA, come on, yes. Oh, yeah, we just need to be patient, guys. Impulse entry. We're getting close to time that I will allow myself to take impulse entry, which is around the NY Open. So yes, if we have an opportunity of impulse entry, it might work. But until then, I'm waiting for close. Check the 30-minute support on 30-minute GA. Oh yeah, this one. Yes, we talk about that. Yeah, and so far it's being respected, right? So that's why I want a strong H1 candle. I wanted to close above this. That would be perfect. Because if it close engulfing, that means we close above that support, that resistance, sorry. GA, what do you think? I don't think this, I'm gonna try it, but I think your chart's not gonna work. But let's try. Oh, it actually worked. Nice. So let's see here. GA. I don't like cells around here. Oh. Close above. No. Okay. Cells will be easier here. I will need resistance dot caused by this point price was pushed a lot already. Yeah, once I see a close below that are mirror support, we can continue down. Kind of afraid to go with impulse. Yeah, that's why I wait for close, right? So, no, definitely makes sense. But now it's pushing back up, right? So, but pretty good idea here. Tomer. Hi, Sasha. What do you think about this on GU? Man, I'm getting a lot of chart, guys. A lot of charts, which is good. Makes time fly. Hey man, we're due for a like run. So we are at 520 people. So we have 310 like. Can we get to 400? Can we get to 400? Come on, smash that like button, guys. Smash it good. All right. This chart's not gonna work. All right, so let's see your next chart. So Diego, maybe you need to resend your chart. It's not working. Come on, GJ, do something. Yeah, GJ's sleeping. GJ is just ranging right now. This major QP, look at this. Respected so far. Phew. Sheesh. As market died, I don't know. So what, that push down on GA fake out on GA? Yeah, it's a tiny fake out, but to be honest, I mean zone, you need to understand that zone goes down to the wick, right? So technically it's not a fake out. Technically it's respecting it kind of, right? So, but for me I put it like this because I see if something breaks above. And that's why if you want to make sure you don't get faked out, wait for a retest. You know, if you wait for a retest, you're not going to be faked out. Look here, this is another good example right here. Let me put an arrow here. So right here, people took buys, I'm sure, when this broke, and you know what, came down and whoop, right down. So this is a fake out, but if you wait for a break, retest and go, you should be fine. Yes, you'll be missing moves, but when you'll be catching move, they're going to be safer. So yeah, what time is it? 7:50. All right. I'm almost up to date, man. So where will you put the stop loss on? Yeah, we'll see when candle close where I put stops. Has market died? We don't know. What do you think? Did I take a look at this? Where would be better buys above zone or this is GA? Oh, zone A, zone 1 or zone 2? Oh, here, because here it's gonna be, yeah, you're gonna be too high. Both are good, but to be honest, you want to buy at the lowest, right? Um,
Hey Sasha.
hey, what's up?
Hey, I'm seeing the YouTube and we have only 352 likes. Wow. We need more likes.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Yeah, definitely need more likes, man. Come on, man.
Il fallait ma caméra, peut-être ça allait aider avec les likes là.
Right.
On a
So
pas
maybe Phil needs to close his camera to get more likes. That's probably what it is.
Guys, you have to dance, bro.
All right, so let's get to 500. Let's get to 500. We'll dance. Did you buy GA? No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a good confirmation. Where would you put your stuff? Okay, we're gonna talk about that when that's gonna happen. How is the funding talent challenge going? Oh man, it's been a while since I kind of stopped. I focus only on my own funds right now. But it's really good though. I still keep on referring people to them because I mean it's an amazing program. Customer service is amazing. So yeah. But if you go to a couple episodes of Forex Talk over a beer on my YouTube channel, you understand the story behind. All right, so let's see here. Hi Sasha, what do you think of this? Let's take a look here. Heavy uptrend. If this is what? This is CAT GPY. Okay. Heavy uptrend. If 30-minute close bullish, my plan is to enter on the break of the previous. Okay, so here. Okay. So what I'm looking at is okay. So I guess there's a lot of people who do this mistake. Okay. They're trying to buy here when you're at the resistance. Okay. You should buy over here. You know. You want to buy at the lowest, not at the highest. Now, if you want to buy here, you want to break, retest, and go. But this is just my opinion, right? So if you try to buy here, like in this example, let's say you don't have the information here on the right. I mean, you don't know if price is going to go because you are right at resistance, right? So look at this. People, some people got faked out here, right? Came down. But what happened if you buy here, knowing that price came up, needs to come down to push back up, right? So I think it's better to do this than trying to buy a top. It will work, Would it be optimal? I don't think so. But the reason why people don't buy here at the lowest is because they don't have the patience to wait for price to come down, create the support, and push back up. That's mostly why. That's mostly why people buy high instead of buying low. It's because most people doesn't have the patience. Where would you put a stop? Oh, okay, we're gonna talk about that. Let's go. Diego, Sasha, what do you think? Okay, we went to this. Hi, Sasha, what do you think? We saw that, right? Sasha, do you draw your support resistance green band zone at a random width or set? Okay, so those are not green. Those are blue, or I think they are. So basically, most of the time, I go in 30 minutes, and I'm going to match it with a wick, right? But yeah, it's just like, don't forget, those don't have to be super precise. Those support and resistance are areas, right? So around. They're not specific line. They're not specific. It's everything around it. So that's why when we say don't take a trade when resistance at like 12 pips, because it's around there price can react. So it can be at 7 pips, can be at 8 pips. So if you only have a 12 pips range, it's not enough room, so that's why. Oh, Francesco left for lunchtime. All right. Mike, if we get to 400 likes, Sasha put dogs music on winning. Oh, yes. Unfortunately, I cannot do it because YouTube's going to ban my video if I do this, which I don't want to. Let me just fix something very quickly here. There we go. All right. Yeah, guys, let's get to 400 likes, man. We're missing 20. Come on, guys, help me out here. I need a little help. Let's get 20 more likes. I'm sure we can do it. Man, I can't believe nobody got that sell on gold. Man, I'm surprised, man. That was a pretty good call here. And this thing actually went to full TP. Because full TP was at the zone, right?
Ouais, va vraiment falloir qu'on commence à trader gold pour de vrai.
Look at this thing, man. Shit.
Yeah.
I think that was a pretty good call here.
C'est comment de pips ça, genre 2300?
Ouais, genre. Oh man, oh man.
Genre, c'est ça qui était terrible. Là, mettons, ils mettaient. Là, je te parle de n'importe quelle compagnie MLM. Là, ils mettaient, mettons, 5500 pips ce mois-ci. Puis là, le monde était genre. Tabarnak, c'est gros pour du Forex. Moi, mais t'as un trade sur gold qui a fait genre 3000.
Ah, c'est ça, c'est n'importe quoi.
Avec un stop de 6000 pips.
Sasha, why is your mentorship so expensive? It's the same price as Raja mentorship, and he has a lot more credibility. No offense. Oh, it's not based on that. You know, I think it's actually pretty damn cheap, to be honest. And I think Raja was actually increasing the price to 1,000, to be honest, and I think he brought it back to 500. But yeah, of course, I mean, his course should be like much more than that. But my goal was not to compete. Raja was not to compete anyone. My goal was to came out with a price point that made sense for people, that was not too expensive. And if you look at all the courses out there, it's pretty cheap, man. You know, I think the cheapest one I had was 500, and all the rest was like 1,000, 2,000 US. I got one at 5,000. I got one course at 5,000, right? So I mean, I invested. Oh, hold on, wait a second. It's 8 o'clock now. So yeah, I'm gonna grab an entry here on GA.
Oh, why?
Yeah.
Phil, t'embarques-tu?
I'm not. I don't think the G yet.
Oui, Jill.
Ah non, mais. Non, c'est. Phil, il est genre. J'ai vu son hésitation de comme.
No, but moi, je pense pas I'm not live on G yet. I'm live backtesting it, but I'm not live for it yet. Vas-y, Marc, vas-y.
The only thing I don't like, and that's why I only took like a 0.5% here, I don't like the fact that we didn't break that minor. But if we break the high, I'm going to enter a second position. But it's okay now to come down. Price needs to come down, create that bottom wick. If this breaks the previous low, I'm going to be closing 50%. Yeah. So I'm going to put auto break even at 11 pips. And I'm going to put partial TP at 15. All right, so yeah, so basically I was answering that question, and yeah, so basically pretty cheap. Especially on my end, we do one-on-one. So we got one-on-one meeting with students. I trade live privately. I trade live privately with students every day. We do group training. So basically every weekend or so, people brings one or two trades. We go and we take a look at them. We study them, and we all learn together. We go over Q&A session privately, and of course simulation. And yeah, you know. So, but the goal was not to be cheaper than market fluidity. That was not the goal, you know. So for me, it was really really important to not go against, you know, my mentor, right? So it doesn't make sense. It would be so disrespectful. So yeah. Um, hey man, we got 400 likes. Woohoo! Next step, 450.
On va se rendre à 500, man, ça n'a pas le choix.
Clean gold sales. Yes, I mean gold was pretty good. I mean gold went to full TP. Boom, right here.
Hey, 500 pips, man.
So yeah, went to full TP. Man, I hope someone grabbed that move. Man, did I call that for myself or what? What's up with that? Shit. Tell me next time. I will not call it. If no one's taking advantage of this, man, I'm gonna keep it for myself. Shit, boy. Gold call was a test call. Gold call was a test call? I don't know. Oh, look at this thing. That is it good that you close full profit when you hit the zone on gold? Because, man, look at this thing. Boom. Rejected full. That's crazy. Crazy.
Bon, moi je dois y aller, les boys.
Ben non.
Prenez soin de vous.
Alright, attention à toi.
Après ça, je déménage, je vais habiter au bureau, man. Fait que je pourrais rester le temps que je veux. Bon, mon boss m'a fait un petit appart au bureau.
Hey, ça, c'est aimer sa job. Ça,
Hey, t'es motivé, man.
c'est quoi, dans le fond, tu fais du design?
Ah non, je suis technologue en architecture.
Ah, il dessine des salles de bain, là.
Ah, des enfants, des garages.
That's good.
J'arrive pas de travailler au bureau. Wow, ouais, wow.
Le grind commence, man.
Rent free, I hope?
250 par mois, chauffé, éclairé, air climatisé,
Ah,
internet.
that's fine. That's fine.
That's pretty cool.
C'est des pilotes. Alright, fait que
Alright.
je vais on se voit demain.
Ciao, man. Bonne journée. Ciao. All right, so let's see here. FX like Mike. You join if you want. No need to ask anything like that. You join if you want. No need to ask anything like that. Oh.
Oh, he's talking about the price.
Oh yeah.
Don't
Okay.
join if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's it. You know, it's just like, and for people that needs help on the payment, I just came out with a payment plan so people can pay on 3 months. So, you join if you trade FX the same. Where treasure trade FX is the same kid who hates on whatever. Hey Sasha, you missed my question. Oh, sorry, Luke P. Maybe you want to post it again. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Let's get to GA. So let's see here. GA is looking promising. Yes. When I went to Canada a few years ago, I woke up one morning and there was a small bear in the street. I love Canada. I don't know where you went, but that's crazy.
He was probably in BC, no? Vancouver?
Yeah, maybe. What's my stop loss? My stop loss is under the previous H1 candle. Actually, I'm gonna move it to
30?
Oh, it's actually under this 30 minutes here, so I'm gonna put it on the screen. So my stop loss is, wait a second. 17 79930. 79930. All right, let's put my entry first. Long position. So entry is at 102. So 102. My entry is right here. So I took it on a retracement a little bit. Stop is like 9930. 9930. God damn, where is it? Right here, kind of. Yes. And aiming this QP here, 250, right? Where's my partial TP? Partial is at 252 exactly. 252 right here. So yeah, not bad, right? So now I'm probably gonna move my stop. Now that we broke the high, I'm gonna move my stop like right around here, which is like 9 pip stop. So yeah. So my trade is now 5 pips in profit. Where's that? 8,000. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so now this trade, at first it was not a 1-to-1, so now it becomes a 1.55 RR. So that's why I always tell people it's subjective RR, you know. So I manage my RR as we go. So now this trade is looking pretty good. Looking 7 pips in profit now. So at 11 pips, what's gonna happen is my auto break even is gonna get hit, place my stop at break even, and I'm gonna wait for 15 pips to hit to partially close 90%. So doing pretty good right now, 9 pips. Oh, here we go. Let's hit that break even. And that will be considered a first win. I mean second win. Because we got that gold sell. Man, so close to my break even. My break even is in not even 1 pip. Shit, boy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. Sasha, what do you think about this? I think we saw that. Oh shit. Yeah, I missed some comments here, guys. 500. Oh, Bricky, 500 is nothing. Think about amount of time he's giving up to teach people to trade live session. You could join a pyramid scheme like IML Academy and learn fuck all while paying like 250 a month. That's pretty true. It's one-time payment, right? So I mean, it's probably decent. How long were you trading with Raja? With Raja, a year and so. Yeah. Sasha, what do you think about this? We saw that. But lower entry point after commission. Yeah. From gold sells. Oh, people didn't sell gold because you sell its paper trade? Oh, yeah. I don't trade gold live, so I'm taking sells if gold breaks the low. Okay. Let's see here. Sasha, second entry on GA. Oh, no. I didn't took it. It went too fast. I missed it. So, what do you think about GG buys? This man is always doing weird question. Okay. You can double click. Okay, Sasha, are you still cool with Raja though? Oh yeah, absolutely. Why not? Yeah, we talk every day or so. I mean, not every day or so, but we talk, frequently. Shade. I'm always throwing shade on this post to people who's rendering Don't. Oh yeah. Well, that's fine. Yeah, no, that's fine. Plus never shown a withdrawal. It seems like it's shade. Yeah, no problem with that. No problem at all. Yeah, I posted my PL number. I posted some stuff, and like I said, I'm not. I don't need to sell courses to make money. I make my money. I got my job. I got my trading. I don't need that, so I don't need to post anything. People wants to get it, they get it. That's it. There's something you will never see from me. It's flashing stuff, you know. And for me, exposing numbers for me, I don't like it. And the reason why it gets family problem with family, friends, jealousy, people asking you money, the government looking at your stuff and knowing what kind of money you do. Dude,
AMF, man. The
AMF. I mean, AMF here in Quebec are really, really, really strict. So I'm like, hell no, dude. I'm not gonna risk being in trouble just to prove something. I don't need to prove it. I'm not saying. I'm not saying. Hold on. Wait a second. This is really important. I'm not saying that Raja did that to prove something. That's really important to understand. I think it was making a point because a lot of people back then was kind of laughing at him and was not understanding what he was doing with 10 pips a day, and people didn't trust that he can make money with 10 pips a day. But now that that point has been confirmed, I mean, that's good, you know. So, that's good. I don't need to do it too, you know. Um, all right, so let's see here. This man's straight up attention seeking. Yeah, I don't mind. Sasha, are you still okay? We answered that. Yes, we answered that. Boss, I'm interested in that payment plan because I want to learn, but don't have much money at the moment. How can we get the payment plan? Oh, you just go on here on FX here. You select the course that you want, and you have the option here.
Je comprends pas le monde qui hate quand tu fais des affaires gratuites, même genre des live streams pis tout.
Ah non,
Tu
je
veux pas
sais.
être là, man. Va-t'en. Tu veux pas payer, paye pas. On te force pas à payer. Hein.
No, exact.
Genre, I never understand that.
Yeah. Hey Sasha, you live in France. What do you say about the racisms in this country? Oh, I don't live in France. I live in Canada. And yeah. I don't talk politics or religion or racisms on this stream. This is not the goal. We talk about like trading, and we talk about like some cooler subject, you know, cool subject. Not something that can bring people to go crazy. You know, I don't like that kind of energy. So so someone is in a buy on GJ. Yeah, I mean for me it's too tight here.
I took a small position.
Yeah.
On the break of the.
You took this on the break?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's probably the only way you can catch this is on the break.
That's why I didn't want to take GA because I was gonna get into GJ. So.
I think it's risky because we have what the hell? What? Okay. So basically, yes, it's a small range, but that's why I was not interested into this. But yeah, it is what it is. It works, and that's perfect. I think safer buy is going to be above this now, you know, so. But you should be like, what, around like 8-9 pips now? Should be like, what? Oh, you got your 12 pips. So you're good, man. Stop at break even, close some profits, and that's it. Good job. Good morning. I just got here. What's your sentiment on gold right now? Oh, I called a sell here on gold and actually played out pretty well on that 5 minute here. So, but yeah, I think now price came down. Now we're gonna retest the high. So let's see, you know, create support. Now retesting this. So now, yeah, I mean, I think the sell was before. Now just, I don't know. I got no plan for gold right now. But if you send a chart and would you have an idea, I'm gonna look at it for sure. Yeah, so this trade now is sitting at 8.5 pips profit, so close to get that auto break even. You got your 10 pips on GA, amazing. Sweet. Good. What's your most common lot size? This is a relative, doesn't help anyone. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Let's go GA, let's go. Let's go GA, let's go.
Penses-tu qu'il va aller hit ton QP, Sacha?
Ouais, je pense que ouais. Ouais, parce que si on regarde ici, t'as cette zone-là, right? Attends un peu. Fait que si tu regardes, t'as cette zone-là ici. Right? Qui est le problème, là. So this is a problem here, but we'll see how it goes. That's why my auto break even is set up at 11 pips, and we'll see. Hey Sasha, what do you think about UJ? UJ. Well, it looks like we're gonna get that auto break even now. At 9.2 pips. Should get it. Let's get it. Come on. Oh.
You got it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So close. Oh. Here we go. That sound is so beautiful to my ears. So that was a pretty good win here. Even if I'm only break even, I consider that as a win in my book. Now I'm just waiting for that partial TP to hit at 15. Now I'm at 12 pips. So yeah, should get it. Should get it. Should get it.
J'étais rentré un peu en retard, là, puis en tout cas, je l'ai tout closé, là, de la merde. Je l'aime pas.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna move my stop to a tiny thing in profit. Just psychology. I hate to see those red numbers in my MT4.
Yeah.
So I like blues, right? So even if it's like 15 cents, you know, it's blue, you know. So all right, so.
Oh, tabarnak. D'après moi, ça va être un pot short, ça.
Lequel?
GA. Aussitôt qu'il hit le quarter point, là, ouf, j'aurais le goût de le shorter.
So now, stops at break even. Let's try and see if we can get that 15 pips. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm missing 3 pips. Oh, let's go. I'm missing 1 pip. Or 2 pips, sorry. 2 pips. Come on. Let's go. Push. Push it real good. Bam. Tu penses-tu? You think YouTube's gonna block me?
Yeah,
From... Yeah. Push it real good. Come on, GA. Come on, I'm missing 2 pips, dude. GA. Which is the final target? For the runners. For runners, I'm gonna be securing. Where's my mouse? Yeah, I'm gonna be securing another 50% around here. Where's the 30-minute? Yeah, around here I'm gonna secure another 50%, and the rest I'm gonna try to let it run to the top here. But at this stage, I'm going to be left with a tiny position. But, you know, we'll see. We will see. Made good profit on GA. Thank you, brother. Oh, you're welcome, Mad Max. You're welcome. How you mark support and resistance? Oh, this is pretty basic. But yeah, don't have time to do this here, but I'm sure if you watch the beginning of the video, you'll see the top-down analysis. You'll be able to see how I draw my zone. Yeah, so on YouTube, you can rewind it completely and take a look at it. So, am I going to get it now? Missing. All right, let's go. Let's go. 2 more pips. Come on, baby.
Let's go ton spread.
2 more pips.
Oh, there you go.
2 more. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, you're so close.
My spread's like, my spread is pretty high right now. My spread is like 1.4, 1.8.
Yeah, I'm at 1.2.
Yeah, spread is pretty high right now. So I'm at
Oh, you're
14.
gonna get it now. You're gonna get it.
I went to 14.8. I'm missing 0.2. Are you serious? Please, give it to me. Like yesterday?
You're gonna get it.
Do you remember yesterday what happened? Now I'm starting to be nervous because yesterday it went to 14.6 and a reversed on me. Now it's at 14.8.
Oh my god.
Man, oh man. I'm just about to hit that close 50% manually because man, I'm getting anxious right now.
Maybe 14 pips is to be secure.
14.2.
14.5.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh.
Man, it wants to go. Come on. Here we go, 15 pips.
There you go.
It went to 15 pips but didn't trigger it. What? What? I saw that number on my screen. I actually took a picture.
Come on, come on.
Here we go.
Hey, good job, Sasha.
That's it, boy. Booyah.
Oh my god.
Very nice. You have to dance now, Sasha.
Bam, 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 bam. Push it real good, yeah. This is how we do it. That's it, boy.
Man, that was tough.
Yeah, boy. All right, so let's set up the next partial. Next partial is gonna be right around here. That's gonna be another 50% close here.
C'est quoi ton max drawdown là-dessus? T'étais down for sure 10 pips là-dessus, right?
No, my max drawdown went to probably like 5-6 pips. Hold on, wait a second. Let's measure it. I don't know.
Because your entry was at the top of the
6.
candle or as it retraced down?
It went 6 pips. Oh yeah, I took it right here. My entry is right here. It wanted to draw down. I took it on the retracement a little bit.
Okay, you took it at 102. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So yeah, that's my exact entry for my MT4. It's 102.
Okay. Yeah, okay, you were down 6 pips.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Pretty good. So gold sell. So gold sell was a win, and GA buy was a win, and nothing on GJ. I didn't call anything on GJ. The only thing I said was like, when we broke this side, this thing should continue up. But I mean, this is not a call, right? This is just, analyze. Yeah, some people were like, close, dude, close. Here in the chat, people were like, for real?
You're at 20 pips now, no?
Yeah, I'm at 20 pips right now.
At 40.
Yeah, 20 pips, baby. Oh, 23. Oh, shit.
Ooh.
Oh, that next partial is coming up. That's sweet. Yeah, and the reason why I know people are saying close, but it's something I'm trying this week. Something different I'm trying this week, and I want to make sure it works, So what I did is previously, last weekend, I went through my journal, and I look at every win I took, and every time I had a partial TP at 10 or 11 pips, I realized that probably 7 or 8 times out of 10, price was actually going to at least 15 pips also. So it's like, let's change my strategy. Let's close let's put break even at 11 pips. So whatever happened, worst case, I'm not making money and I break even. In best case, I hit my 15 pips, which is much more money at the end of the week, right? 4 pips plus per day just on one position. I mean, it's 20 pips more per week, right? So it makes a huge difference. And most of the time I use 2 or 3 positions. So for me, it can make a pretty good difference. So I'm trying that this week, see how it goes. Yesterday, I actually break even. It went to 14.6 pips and got me a break even. So, but I think I closed 25% if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So let's see here. How much pips your broker charged for GA? Mine was 3.8. Yeah, mine was pretty high today. It was like, well, right now it's at 1.2. 1.2, 0.8. But it went to 2 pips at one point. I don't know why. But yeah. Let's see. We got what, 2 minutes left into this candle. I think that looks pretty good on GA. Closing. I need this to close above this QP. If it closes above this, oh man. If it closes above this QP, it gives me a great confirmation that we'd continue up. Looking at 4 hours. 4 hours rejecting hard the downside. Yep. That looks good. I think this thing should continue up, man. All right, let's see. 424 likes, and let's get to 450. Come on, guys. Man, we got 2 good wins here. So I think that deserve a like. So let's smash that like button, guys. My spread on GA are 6 pip from Patrick Hopkins. Man, you need to change broker. 6 pips is pretty brutal. 6 pips is like shit. This is almost half. This is half of my TP almost. Just that doesn't make sense, man. You cannot. Yeah, you cannot scalp with GA with 6 pip spread on GA. That's crazy. That's pretty insane.
Black Bull Markets.
Yeah, take a look at Black Bull Market, man. The link is in the description.
Markets as well is good.
Yeah, links in the description for Black Bull Market. And actually, if you sign up with that link, you will get automatically upgraded to Prime account without any minimum deposit, right? I mean, of course, minimum I think is $100, but usually to go on Prime, I think they ask for 5,000 or 2,000, I can't remember. But yeah, I mean, you don't need the minimum deposit if you sign up with that link. You're gonna be upgraded to Prime account. Prime account will give you lower spread. Which is the final target? My final target, you know what? Let's place it. My final target is gonna be this major QP right here. So let's put it here. So final TP for runner. Oops. So I'm gonna place it just under. So I'm gonna place it at 988. That makes sense. Let's do this. 988. You know what? No, I like this resistance better. Let's do to 804. Whoops, sorry. 80. So which one is this one? This one is 806. So 80806. 80806. 808. 80806. Yeah, right here. So final TP is going to be this resistance right here. Yeah. Boom. Next partials is at 401. So let's put a line 401. Let's put it green. Oops. put it green. Yeah, something like that. All right, so pretty good. Let's see here. Will GA continue all the way up? I don't know. We need to break this zone here. So that's why I have another partials here. Let's see.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up?
I missed something.
Oh, you definitely missed GA buy.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now, you took trade based on 1 hour, Sash?
Yeah, I took it based on H1. Yes, this trade was based on H1. Nice, very big bullish candle, creating support, rejecting this major QP. So for me, it was a pretty good indication we're going to push up. Especially that last time that H1 formed support in this area, price pushed all the way up, right? So I'm always looking left to see what's up, what happened in the past. So.
Great, Sasha. You are you're on the right side.
Thank you.
Thanks. I choose for this reason.
Thanks, man. All right, Sasha, question about runners. Did you count how much more or less you make runners vs full TP at 10 pips? That's my next thing. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start with that, but that's my next thing. See if I close full versus leaving runners. That's another thing I'm gonna kind of look at.
C'est quoi ton feeling là-dessus, Sacha, si tu regardes GA là, en H4, ce qui vient de se passer?
Ouais, je vais te dire ça en 2 secondes. Je vais juste prendre une petite photo ici.
Pas de stress.
So we are now at 23 pips. So if we break this high, we should continue on the 30-minute. If we break this high on this 30-minute, should be good to continue up and hit that partials. Looking at H4. Yeah, huge rejection. Yeah, I like that. This about to flip bullish. Pretty nice.
Penses-tu qu'il y a un autre bail à pogner s'il finit en 2J, lui?
Si tu bases sur le 4 heures, oui. But now, next step is probably going to be having this H1. Okay, so if you're looking for buys, I think you want price to come up here, come down here, and start seeing this. You know? So that's something I can see. But that's going to be over the day, right? So it's not going to be like in 2 or 3 candles.
Thank you, Sasha.
You're welcome. But yeah, this is a pretty big rejection here to the downside. So yeah, looks pretty promising for the bull run. Is GA going to break that high or not? Let's take a look at GJ. What's happening with GJ? GJ is doing shit all. Man, I'm so happy I took that trade on GA because GJ is shit. Yeah, there's a way you can get 10 pips in there, but I mean, it's so risky. All right, Simbarash. Sorry if I screwed up your name. Got my 15 pips. Thank you very much. Oh, you're welcome. Good job, man. Patrick, yeah, you definitely need to change broker. Yeah, people were saying it fucking closely. I think GA will touch 535 or GA 535. Oh yeah. We should get that next QP is 500, right? I placed that partial TP there, and the reason why is we had this zone on H1, and previously on 30-minute we got this minor resistance, so that's why I placed another partial there. Partial hit and 400 likes hit. Yeah, that's good. 439 now, so we're really close to 450, the magic number 450. Might see a flip on H4 candles. Yes. Yeah, if this thing flips bullish, man, we're off to the race. Sasha, is Black Bull market good for UK traders? Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think I got some people from UK on Black Bull. Pretty sure. Yes. It's pretty good. Oh, we actually broke the previous high on 30 minute now. So it should be fine. Hi Sasha, how is your view about using high leverage such 500? In which level you think kind of leverage can be used? I don't know, I don't use leverage.
Ben, en fait, oui. Tu utilises du 1%.
Hein?
Du 1%.
Ben, j'ai pas besoin de plus.
Non, c'est ça. Mais si lui, s'il demande dans le fond du 500 pour 1, est-ce que c'est
Ouais.
trop, whatever, mais on s'en
Ouais.
fout, c'est juste le lot qui compte.
Exact.
Si tu as du 500 pour 1, il faut que tu diminues ton lot pour respecter ton risk management.
Exact. So if you only use 1% of your account, 2%, 3%, you don't need crazy leverage. You know, you can use a 1 to 50. It's gonna be fine. You know, 1 to 100 is gonna be fine. So.
Mais je me demandais si tu utilises du 1 pour 500, puis
Mhm.
ton lot il est tout le temps plus petit que quand tu utilises du 1%, ta commission va-tu être plus petite aussi?
Non, ta commission sera pas plus petite. Ta commission va être basée sur ton lot.
Ouais, mais c'est ça. Parce que si tu utilises du 500 pour 1, tu sais, mettons, j'utilise du 100 pour 1, puis je mets un lot de 1. Bon, ok, pour respecter mon risk management. Puis qu'avec du 500 pour 1, j'ai juste besoin de mettre du 0.20 parce que j'ai 500 de l'average. Je me demandais si ma commission allait être moins importante. Mais c'est plus tough à calculer de toute façon avec du
Ouais,
500 pour 1.
je sais comme pas. Puis honnêtement, moi puis les maths, on n'est pas très amis.
Pourtant, tu fais du trading, t'es censé être mathématicien.
C'est là que tu vois que t'as pas besoin d'être intelligent, man. Sasha, do you use Magic Key? Absolutely. Magic Key is your best friend, man. What is QP? QP stands for quarter points. Hi Sasha, I have a question on UJ. Can I know your bias on this, and how will you look to place the fibs on UJ? Send your chart and yeah, send your zone, send your chart that you have, Jason, and I'm gonna look at it. Whoa. Yeah, G broke the M15 high. Yes, I also broke 30 minutes high, so it's good. And G will continue. Black Bull are suck. Oh, yeah, probably that you're below your account. Maybe I don't know. 10 likes. Yeah, we're missing 10 likes. Oh shit. Rages, thank you, man. Thank you for the support. LOL, you butchered my name. Yeah, sorry, man. It's the Franglish trying to talk, right? Sorry. Like the stream, mates. Thank you, thank you. Thanks. Black Bull doesn't accept US customer. No, for US, no. Do you recommend any other broker? For US, there's Trader's Domain. That can be really good. And I don't know, I'm working out something else for a US resident right now. I'm trying to work out the deal for my followers in the US. So I'm waiting answer probably. I actually need to answer them back. But yeah, now this trade is at 25 pips. So pretty good. Super close to it. That partials missing probably like what, couple pips. Yeah. Oh, Simon, we got a chart from Simon. Simon here, gold, paper trade. Okay, TP hit. Oh, price came in that golden zone. Reject. Enter at close of the 15-minute. Support created. Oh yeah, on the safety zone. Oh, that's pretty good. Good catch here, Simon.
It's a paper trade, actually.
Yeah, no, but that's good. That's good, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Oh.
Did I miss anything, Sasha, to annotate?
Let me
Anything?
just... Yeah, give me 1 sec here. I'm just about to second partial TP. So no, I don't think you missed anything. I think everything makes sense here. Price came down, so you bought at the low, and now retesting this high. So I think that makes totally sense. Yeah, you good job, Simon. There.
Yeah, thank you. I was just a bit hesitant because of the candle that closed bullish after entering. It's not engulfing.
Yeah, no, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Man, I'm missing 2 pips. Not even 1 pip. Missing 3 pips. Come on. G-A, 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 G-A. But you know what? I think I'm going to close right here 50% at 26 pips. Close F. There we go. Thank you. 26 pips. And let's remove that partials. There we go. So now I'm just going to let the rest run. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Oh, he actually right on it. Right on that TP. Partial TP. All right, 29 pips. I removed it because I closed manually at 26, but that's fine. I was getting a little anxious here. But, you know, I should have trusted myself. Went to 30 pips now. So, pretty good. Pretty good.
Colis, ça m'apprendra à pas tenir mes trades. Colis.
Yeah.
Mon gars, t'inquiète. Je te file des fois. Oh man.
Hey, je suis une bébête à profit, je suis sûr que j'en
Oh,
vois, là.
we're missing 1 like. We're missing 1 Oh, here we go. We got it. Sweet. Good job. Thank you, guys. 450 reach. 450 like reached. I'm pretty happy. Thank you very much. This is my paycheck right there. That's 450 likes. Hey, je viens d'arriver sur le chat. Oh, salut Anthony. Tu n'as pas besoin de modifier ton lot, que tu sois à 1% ou 1 pour 500. La différence, c'est que tu as besoin de 1000 pour un lot de 1%. Oui, exactement. Oui, exact.
Yes.
Oui, ça fait totalement du sens. Ouais.
500 pour 1, c'est risky si tu l'utilises. C'est pas risky si tu l'utilises pas.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I mean, if you can get 500 to 1, it's great,
a
but...
friend of mine, he always tells me, do you use leverage? I'm like, well, no. Like, I trade 1% of my account. I don't trade 25% of that.
Yeah. I'm going to check it out. Okay, perfect. Let's see. What's my IG? My IG is right here on my name on Zoom. It's Sasha_FXDog, DAWG. And there's also a link in the description. Would you take a trade on GJ after 151.200 on GJ? 151.200. Yeah, but I want to see a break and retest. I want to see a break of this major Q, not major, but I want to see a break of this QP, retest, and go up. Patch.
Je vais aller sur YouTube, ça, I gotta go.
All right, take care, buddy. Have a great day.
Ciao, guys.
Ciao, Phil, bro.
Ciao, Jimmy. Ciao, Guillaume.
Ciao,
Bonne journée.
Ciao, Francesco.
Ciao.
Here we go. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh là 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 là.
30 pips. That's amazing, baby. Let's do it. Do it now. Do it now. All right. Would you take an Patrick description? Okay. Would you enter GJ if the candle close above 151, 150? No. I will wait for solid confirmation above this zone. So I want to break and retest, right? So this is on 30 minutes. So let's adjust this zone a little bit here. And yeah, I think that makes sense. Let's break and close above this. Um, Make sure you use crypto as your country. Oh yes, if you use a trading trader's domain, yes, you need to deposit with crypto. Um, Nice trade, that. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Except baby pips, where can I learn more about price action before being coached from someone? Thank you. I think a great suggestion will be I have tons of stuff on my YouTube channel. Also, my mentors, Raja, Wicks Don't Lie, has a lot of stuff on his channel also. And yeah, I think there's plenty of stuff on price action. I also have a simulation on YouTube on my channel that you can take a look at it. I'm probably gonna do a simulation probably I don't know in a couple weeks from now. We're gonna have one next weekend with our students, but probably like the week after that, probably gonna do one for YouTube's. Um, yeah, next step is Rage says next step is 500 likes, and we are on the way. We're at 461, so getting there, getting there. Um, I just lost GJ. Them went up too fast. Oh, what happened with GJ? Oh, there. Yeah, I don't think you lost anything to be honest. I mean, you're right in resistance. So buying here, to be honest, it's super risky. You know, you're buying the top. So, I mean, this thing can reverse at any time. Uh, so yeah, you want to break and close. You're right at resistance right now. So, I mean, buying here, I mean, it's super, super, super risky. Um, yeah. Oh, yes. The 1 pip is nothing. Yes, exactly. It was just for confidence, you know. So that's why I didn't close manually. It was just to gain more confidence. So that's why for me it was really important to hit that 15 pips. So I'm gonna continue on testing this week. Um, I'd rather wait for new 4 hour candle for GJ buys. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Looking at 4 hour right now, it's forming support. And let me tell you, if you have a support on H4, it's pretty strong. So that's why I'm waiting. You know, I'm waiting for GJ because if this close bullish engulfing on 4 hours, you can go on lower time frame and try to snap an entry right around this area, which makes sense. You know, um, and that is in 10 minutes. Currently up 40 pips. Thank you, Sasha. All right, good job, Patrick. Good job, Patrick. 40 people that haven't like, please do so. Oh, thank you, man. I had to go look up for that push it. Oh, yeah, push it. Yeah, you know what? I think that's going to be in my post. Yeah, let me do my IG post right now. Let me do it. Um, yeah, I gotta mute myself for a second. If not, I'm gonna kill the copyrights, right? So give me 1 sec.
To have a small walk and I will come back.
Okay, awesome, man. Take care. Yeah,
Start
and
with the
don't worry. Even if I close the stream on YouTube, the virtual trading floor is gonna still be open.
Yeah, okay, I will stay connected definitely.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
Take care.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm almost done. All right, all right. We are back. All right, did my IG post. All right. So let's see. I'm gonna be closing the stream pretty soon. Let's see. Currently up 40 pips. All right, so we good. Can you explain that zone? I don't know which zone you're talking about. You're a beast, man. What is the next target? Let's make this money, dog. Yeah. So next target, like I said, is this. This was my next partial. Partials got hit. So now next target's right here. Final TP for runners. So right at this resistance, right? So let's move this line over there. So this is gonna be my final TP. Da 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 da. So let's move this stop here and profits. Yeah, so now stop's probably like 3 or 4 pips in profit. I'm gonna leave it there. And we'll see how it goes for the rest of the day. Let's see. GJ will give us buy soon. Yeah, again, I mean, I want to say break and close. My man is nasty with it. Got the W. Oh, awesome, man. A guy named Uncle Ted 2. I don't know about that, dude. Hey, what's up, man? Would appreciate if you take a look at my chart, mate. Sure, mate. I'll take a look. Tommy. This is coming from Tommy. Oops. It's right here. La la la. Oh, nice. Thank you. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Probably you're probably young. You're probably like what, 14, 15 to draw a penis on a chart. I don't know. Hey guys, thanks for your work this morning. You're welcome. Thank you. Hi, Pappy. Hey, Tommy. Is that the same Tommy that draw the... Yeah, it's the same one. Hi, Sasha. I just did on GCAT what you just did on GA. Please take a look. All right, let's take a look. Oh, I don't know. I don't see anything. There's no labels. There's no indication here, so I have no clue. But yes, I understand what you're saying. Create support here at the same support as the left side and expecting price to push up. Yeah, so that's good. But when you send chart, try to see, like, because I don't know where you entered. I don't know where was your stop loss. I don't know anything, so I cannot help you here. You know, it's nice. I see that they had a nice move, but I don't see the execution. GG needs to break. Yes. Hi, Sasha. I just did. Oh, okay. Would you enter if GG breaks true? Only gonna enter if I see a break and retest or a dogtail setup. See you tomorrow for a beer session. Yes, tomorrow night. Forex talk over a beer, guys. So if you don't know the concepts, really simple. I open up a beer with you. We all chat Forex, random question, Q&As. I'm gonna break down charts also. So if you have any question, you come on, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. Hey Sasha, thanks for live streaming this morning and for the abundance of free knowledge. Oh, you're welcome, guys. Welcome. That message wasn't for you, Sasha. Oh, which one? Sorry, brother. Oh, FX like Mike. Which message? Did I miss something? FX like Mike. Doesn't matter. I no problem. I didn't see it, so I don't know. Oh, someone's name Ezekiel? Is your real name? Because if it's your real name, it's kind of cool, man. Because I'm watching Walking Dead right now, and the king name is called Ezekiel. Yeah, I think it's a pretty dope name. Thanks for your analysis today, Sasha. Nice to be here. Oh, thank you. What is a cocktail setup? No, it's not. It's a dog tail setup. Get your Corona ready, mates. Yeah, sure. Oh, it got deleted. Okay, no worries, buddy. Thank you, my man. All right, you're welcome. Sorry, Sasha. This is the correct Jeep CAD chart. Okay, let's give it a second try here. So it's like trading, right? We give our trade a second chance sometimes. So I'm gonna give your chart a second chance. Let's see. Man, I'm doing some overtime right now. Am I? What time is it? 9? Oh, hold on. Wait a second. Let's go back to here first and see. So this 30-minute, this is also the close of H1. Close very nice, bullish. Looking at 4 hours. Close with a huge rejection to the downside and close like a bullish doji. So to be honest, that's gives me a hint that there's going to be some bullish pressure now, right? And yeah, we can expect price to continue up. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. And I think that if this 30-minute breaks this high, we should continue up. But we got this zone here that, yeah. Actually, this is the most recent traffic, right? Hold on, wait a second. Let's take a look at 1 hour. Yeah, I kind of drew this zone based on this price was not down yesterday night. And yeah, I should move this to here, actually. Yeah, that make more sense. Because if we break this, now we got clean traffic to the left, right? Because this zone was previously this. Yeah, this zone is much better, much better. She should put it right here. Yeah, that worked.
I need to go, man.
Alright, take care, buddy.
Take care.
Hey, tu t'es coupé les cheveux, toi?
Yeah.
Beau petit garçon, beau petit garçon.
Ouais.
Ouais, beau petit garçon.
Il était temps. Shit, il était temps.
Alright, man. Tu me diras quand tu finis le cours, puis on setupera ton 1 à 1.
Exact.
Alright.
Mais hey,
Ouais.
quand que tu finis une partie, moi en tout cas, ça me le fait pas, ça reste tout le temps à 0%.
Ah ouais? Tu cliques-tu sur finir et continuer?
Je vais le laisser là.
Je pense qu'il faut que tu finisses la vidéo, puis à la fin, tu fais finir et continuer, je pense. Ou tu laisses la vidéo finir au complet. Un des deux, puis il devrait.
Ok, je viens de le voir.
Il devrait... C'est ça, il faut que tu cliques sur terminer et continuer.
Alright.
Ça devrait marcher.
Ouais. Alright. Ok, cool.
Nice. Puis tu checkeras parce qu'en français et en anglais, c'est pas nécessairement les mêmes exemples. Fait que toi, étant donné que tu comprends l'anglais, ben tu peux avoir tout le français, puis après ça, tu peux aller checker le cours en anglais. Puis des fois, il y a des exemples différents sur différents sujets. Puis j'explique pas nécessairement exactement. Tu sais, des fois, j'utilise des mots différents, fait que des fois, tu peux catcher quelque chose de plus, tu sais.
Ouais, ben, des fois, je te vois, t'es tellement habitué de dire tous les termes en anglais.
Ouais.
En français,
ouais, des fois, ça. Ouais, je sais, c'était pas fluide, hein.
Moi, c'est ça, là.
Ouais. Puis en plus, c'est qu'il fallait que j'adapte aussi mon français pour. Il fallait que j'essaie que les gens de la France soient capables de comprendre aussi, tu sais.
Ouais.
Fait qu'il fallait que je fasse quand même attention à ça.
For sure.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so cool, man. Stay safe.
Take care. La 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 la. Alright, so let's see here what else we got. Sorry, Sasha. This is the correct. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Let's go back to this. Let's take a look at GJ first. So GJ closed bullish on the 30-minute, not breaking the zone. I mean, kind of break, but didn't close above. And now we are rejecting this zone. So we gotta wait and see. If this 1 hour, okay, it's on the 30-minute. If this 30-minute comes down first and start breaking the high, I think it can be a great opportunity for price to continue up. And that would be a dogtail setup. But yeah. What's up with GA coming down like this? With no notice? Notice? Jesus. Alright. Yeah, but that's okay because this H4 new candle needs to print a bottom wick first and start pushing back up after. So that's why I'm not freaking out. I'm not closing my trade. I'm gonna let it go. If it stop me, it's gonna stop me at 3 pips profit. And so far I secured 90% of my trade. So I mean, it's pretty good. Actually, 95% of my trade. All right, so I'm gonna do an extra 15 minutes probably. You know what? 9:05 right now. Let's see. Do we have any more question here? Let's see. Oh yeah, let's go back to that chart. Sorry, man. So you said this was the wrong chart. Okay, so let's use this one. Oh, what I did. What the hell happened here? Here we go. Waited for this to break the wick. Oh, okay, you took the entry right here on GA? Oh, that's GCAD. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what he's saying. Okay. That's great. That's pretty great. But I'm pretty sure if you look at 1 hour, you probably gotta have a better entry on 1 hour if I'm not wrong. Because technically this is the 30-minute. Technically, if you get those two candles, it probably close above this one, right? Engulfing, probably can grab an entry right around here if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that would make sense. How to deposit crypto with Traders Domain? You need to go on their website. Oh, so Ezekiel, haha, yes, is very common here in Argentina, but I know in English sounds very difficult. Ezekiel, I don't know. It sounds good. It sounds pretty nice. I like that name. Been trading for a month, made 40 euros on gold for the first time, then lost 80 euros on market. Humbled me, lesson learned. Yes. If you get one winner, walk away from the chart, man. Because if you overtrade, you're going to lose your profits. So, keep it up, mate. Thank you. Nice live streaming. Thank you. Sasha, your opinion for GJ? I think I talked about that before. 30 likes. Oh, yeah, we're at 473. Oh, can we get next QP, man? I swear to God, I'm going to stop after that. I swear. You know, can we get to 475? 475, I'm going to be super happy. And if we get 500 on the replay, it's going to be amazing. But 475 is my last target for likes, and we're missing one. There we go. We got it. Sweet. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to stop asking. We reached it. I'm super happy. If we get to 500, I'm good. So this is our runner for likes, you know. So if runner gets to 500, awesome. But, you know, I'm super happy with 475 here. So thank you very much, guys. Very appreciate it. Do you think GJ is making a bottom wick to continue bullish? I'm pretty sure yes. I'm pretty sure. Especially that this 4 hours, a new 4-hour candle. So we need to create a bottom wick on 4 hours. And after break the high. If this high gets broken on 4 hour, this thing's going to run. Next target is going to be like, shit. God damn. Yeah, I guess I have no data here. Oh, Guillaume has a dog. All right, so talking about dogs, I got one dog scratching my door like crazy right now, so I need to take her out. Do you think GJ is making bottom? Yes, we answered that. Would you take GJ on 15 minutes? No, I don't touch 15 minutes. We actually have a challenge with our students. We don't do any more 15 minutes entry for 90 days. We train every day 15 minutes. We do personal growth, reading for 15 minutes. We got a couple other stuff. We need to drink 64 ounces of water per day. We need to use 15 minutes of our day for personal stuff. Like, let's say there's a sport you really like, or you want to go walk with your dog, or whatever it is. 15 minutes for yourself, right? I do not think Traders Domain accept US application. It says that towards the bottom. Yes, you just need to select crypto. If you select crypto payments, you're going to be able to sign up with Traders Domain. Black Bull accept Canadian? Oh, yes. Yes, I'm Canadian. So, and the good thing with Black Bull Market for the Canadians, it's you can actually deposit money with Interac. So basically you can send money by email. I did a deposit the other day. It took literally like 2 minutes and money was sitting in my account. So this is the fastest way you can transfer money. Interac transfer, no fee. It's pretty cool, man. So yeah, Black Bull is the way to go, especially if you're Canadian. And if you sign up with the link in the description, you can be upgraded to Prime account. So with lower spread. So that's pretty good. If I'm in the United States, is there a certain country I need to select for Traders Domain? Because United States isn't an option. Actually, I'm pretty sure if you message them on their website or on Instagram, I don't know if they have an Instagram page, but I'm pretty sure if you contact support, they're going to be able to help you out. Like that teach you to be more disciplined? Yes. Should we wait for bearish engulfing then on 30 minutes to take sells? To take sells for what pair? GJ, GA, gold. I mean, yeah, so right now at this stage, yeah, no, let's remove this. Let's remove this. So at this stage, there's two options. Either break and retest or dogtail setup here above, or you just wait for price to come down, form support around this major QP and push back up, right? Sasha, who is the GOAT? Schumacher or Hamilton? That's a hard one, man. Man, they're both legend. You know, just in my book, they're both legend. Or are you talking about the Sun? Because the Sun just arrived in F1. So Schumacher's son just arrived in F1 with Haas team. So, but if you're talking about the father, yeah, they're both legend. I cannot pick. I can't pick. Of course, I really enjoy watching Hamilton, you know, because he's more of my time. But yeah, I cannot choose. They're both legend.
Hey Sasha.
Yep.
I've got to go for now. See you later.
Yeah, take care, buddy.
Okay.
Take care.
You send me the link later today.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, for the one-on-one?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna send you a Zoom link on Discord for the one-on-one. Oh, make sure for the one-on-one you need to make sure you're identify 3 strengths that you have while trading and 3 weaknesses. And I want you to choose a winning trade and a losing trade.
Right.
All right, we're gonna take a look at this.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, will the Black Bull broker work for me in Jamaica? I don't know, but I'm sure if you look at their website, it's blackbullmarket.com, you should be able to see it. I never had anyone asking me about Jamaica, so I don't know by heart. Can you watch gold? Yeah. The real one. Shumi won World F1 in a crap Benetton. Yeah. George Russell is amazing. I mean, actually, George Russell is amazing. This kid, give him a car, man. This kid's gonna do some damage. Sasha continuing to work overtime for the masses. Much appreciate time to let them dogs out. Yeah, actually, I need to take those dogs out because they keep on scratching the door. It's just about to kill it. Can we transfer the dislike to the like real quick? Thanks, man. All right, so I guess I'm gonna leave it open for a couple minutes. When I come back, I'm gonna read the last question and we're gonna close it. Deal? All right, so I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I am back. So what did I miss? Nothing much.
Ah, vraiment rien.
But looking at no, c'est ça. But looking at GJ, looks like we're potentially have maybe something like this, but it's too early. But there's a potential. If this closed bearish, yeah, there's a potential for price to come down and retest that support. And like I said, we are at on GJ, and that's the other thing also why it was super risky to buy here, because if you look at GJ, was it GJ or GA? Can't remember. It was probably GA. Sorry, I confused the two pairs. But there's one of them that we were at a daily resistance. Was it the daily or the weekly? Can't remember which one was it. Oh, it was on the 4 hours. Okay. Yes. So yeah, again, we need to make sure we break this high. We need to break sure to continue up. If not, price might come down, create support, and push back up. So that's what my thinking on GJ. What about GA? GA. Yeah, GA right now is just doing his thing. You know, my runner is still chilling around like 20 pips. So not bad. All right, let's see here. Last couple question, and I'm out. Adil, selling GJ. Selling GJ. It's doable, but again, what time is it now? 9:19. Yeah, I think if we form resistance here, nice engulfing like this, yeah, it's doable. It's doable, but to be honest, I don't like this. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's like forcing a trade, right? To be honest, I will not take a sell in this bullshit, you know? Look at all this noise here. Man. Yeah, you want to make, you know, I'm lazy. I like the easy stuff. So I like a break and a retest and go up. Or for sells, I want something to break under this, you know? And here, I want to see a break, retest, and go, right? So, yeah, that would be my thing here. But right now, I don't know. It might work, but again, it's risky. Sell GJ now. Again, it's risky. Wait for candle to close before selling GJ, guys. Yes, I agree. Wait for candle to close. Yes. Do you recommend any site to help calculate lot size when opening position? Yes. You can use Magic Key. Okay, Magic Key is really easy. Or there's an app. There's tons of websites. I'm sure. I don't know them. But there's an app. I'm pretty sure now they charge people, but it's called Stinu. Stinu. So Stinu. Stinu. It's an app that can help, but I'm pretty sure now it was free before. It might be still free on the Google Play, but I know that Apple Store now charge for it. So, yeah. GA created 4-hour support. Buys once it breaks high. Yes. Yes, I'm pretty sure GA should continue the bullish run here. I'm just hoping for that stop to not be break even, right? So we'll see. All right, guys. So I guess Stinu is free. Oh no, it's not free. Yeah, it's paid now. That's what I thought. Yeah. So if you still having it for free, don't do the update. Yeah, Stinu is paid now. Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, I mean, there's probably other website, you know, that you can find. You probably can Google that. Oh, there's Ryan saying here in our Zoom. Ryan says FX calculators on iOS is free. So FX calculators on iOS. So thank you, Ryan. I closed all and made my day. Thank you, Sasha. Oh, that's Mike. Mike, hold on. Wait a second. I missed something from Mike. I closed all and made my day. Mike, did I miss something? Golden zone. Oh, yeah, you grabbed that move? Sweet. Awesome, Mike. Good job, Mike. Man. Oh, man. This is so much fun seeing students getting winners. I use PZ Trade for let's. All right, so guys, yeah, so this trade now GA is flipping bullish now with this pretty big rejection that was the creation of the 4-hour bottom wick. So now, I mean, should be good to continue up. Yeah, boy. So that's it. So I'm gonna close the stream. People on Zoom for the virtual trading floor is going to stay open, but thank you for our YouTube people for showing up this morning. I think it was a great session. If you missed anything, you can actually watch the replay and learn from it. I think there was a lot of stuff being discussed this morning. I think that was one of the really good session we had. So yeah, one GA buy, one gold sell. That was pretty good. What's up with gold now? Gold is going up now, so pretty amazing. Yeah. And now we were talking about buys above here previously. So now, I mean, I guess it makes sense, you know. So I guess you got your break, retest, and I think on gold, if you can get the support on the next, let's say this 5 minute closed bearish, next 5 minute closed bullish engulfing, I think you can get your a nice buy here. So yeah. So now you see a change of trend now. So we broke the previous high that was right here in this bearish trend, right? So yeah, I think it's pretty good. All right. Yep, that's it. Thank you, brother. Good to meet you. Thank you. This is really great value session. Oh, thank you, guys. So again, tomorrow night, Forex Talk Over Beer at 6 o'clock. Bring your beer. We're going to have a chat together. It's going to be fun. We're going to talk about Forex Q&As. We're going to break down charts. And next time I'll be live for a live trading session is Thursdays. All right, so thank you very much, guys. Share the good news and have a great day.